Since Baba sa go bala ba re eme.
Ama khono roba.
Ya, ha o khona le go ba go ba. Ko.
Ama khono.
Knock knock.
Ama khono o roba. Ha? Bana le sa na re ka roba. O si ani kana kima.
Fe.
Ana bua.
Ho.
Le mo lebetse.
Tops.
I seen tops.
Get tops.
Okay, tops. Oh, tops are mo hloka hle.
Tops.
Maka very kona re be sa re mo yehle. Thanks for invite, Prophet. JK Tsikane. Thank you so much, my friend. Good evening. Guys, khale se re khutla khatla bobedi live. Re khutla live khatla bobedi. Dumela. Ai ka re kwana ntse le re dumedisana la batho ba bodimo. Re batla batho ba re nna le bona. Thobela moruti. Modimo ka ke batho ba batjha ba. Good evening. Le tsanang. Khale re kene ba guys re le ra gaowa because of network.
I thought life ended. Au mogotsi wa ka Maki. Ene sa end at least sweetheart. Evelyn Molweni.
Mara ke le we hlalo o samos.
Re disturb wa ke pula ga.
Modimo ga re se re emetse tops.
Tops o kae?
Yeah. Tops go hlangwana rona. Yo tops ka mpa gotla. Tops ka re tla re lisetsa malapa. Tops.
Ke utlula re molekano wa ha in 4 years ha cheater once o cheatile hangata.
Yo tops. Tops o tlo hlangwana rona o ka hle. A ke le mofounele ke yana yo.
Yo.
Oh, Tops wena. Topsy.
Ba re jwale network ya lona.
Tops, ke network ya rona jwale. A go re ke ntshento.
Sa wife.
Ke bontsha wife.
Yo.
Tops. Yes, you know wow. Tops beside without to sinyana ko ne ngwana rona. O re dintho tse ileng tsa go kopana le tsona lenyalo la hao di bile tharo tse neng o qala di bona and because we ile lenyalo
o
se ready lenyalo ne ware ntho pile ntse o re lenyalo ke re you didn't want to lose your partner. O no sa batlo mo lose. Now wa nyalwa then wa kopana le cheating ka ra lenyalo ke a pele. Wa dilana le ona jwang wena Tops re be o ntse o ditse le tsatsing le.
I didn't want to eat and drink. It wasn't easy, ne? It's a lot of which is on a mood. I'll feel it's interested in the because cheating twice, I sent a mistake twice. We had our no bad, we play.
Okay.
I'm glad how shall I move to do have some treat you shall as kapos or a mistake, no. Can't tell you to let them pass away now, why one or take it to away yet. So, Naka, keep la floor, go and get whole and get well. It did a little when I got lady Yakilimu. Because when I am not.
Okay. Mary, now you said something how bua no ne retla ho tse ding ore dintho tse ding o di sheba fela o di tlohelle. Now kana ko di sheba fela o di tlohelle o jwang o di sheba o le broken kapa o nona le tsela ya ho kapa dine di etsang ho wena.
O di sheba ka tsela ko o di sheba ka pelo e bohloko. You can't heal today can't treat mobile. Can't hold you repeat hangata worry I like sharp it's how long to know move stations so sharp go holy can
Tops ke go botsa monna wa o chita ka una o chita ka batho ba different
ntho e buang a se ba bangata one person
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Are we good? Monna ke polygamist.
Ne ke re jalo ke re mo thuse moruti
Monna ke polygamist.
tshwantse fela a mohele
Monna wa ho tshwana le nna Tops.
ke ntate wa step
Monna wa Sefebe. Next. Tops.
ke motho wa step
Ya ke motho wa Step.
a before na ba change ke yona no fela recently
Re ba tšhentšha bona re ba
ntse re batla motho
tšhentšha
o right
hantse re
for
batla
family.
motho wa borate re ba tšhentšha le wena
na le wa yena a sa bue gore ke batla ho nyala step
ha re so fihle banna ba so fihle stageng sa ho ba le sebete sa ho bua ntho eo ha le so fihle ha e so fihle because of society ke bitswa
the society
the society ha e so dumele banna ho ba honest. Two ba sa
partner.
le di partner e leng basadi ha ba so allow banna ba bona ho ba honest ho bona.
but nna ntate motho ka mokgwa ke bonang ka teng is better o bue nnete o motho than o tlo iphedisa bohloko o bua maaka ka tlung ga o fihle ka nako nke tse dingwe wa di fihla o etsa dintho tse ngata ka botsotsi because if o etsa jwalo o etsa go lelapa lao le senyeye
ke kopa ho botsa he ha o nahane hore no tjenana ke nako e wena we created to introduce this thing ho wena because na I believe wena ke wena motho a ka etsang lenyalo la hao right. Number one o so le aware hore monna hao ke polygamist and ntho ya hae ya cheating ha ya etsa hore o divorce, that means somehow o amohetse taba hore ho na le motho mo then why because yena ha bui ka yona and ke ntho tla bentse tla kelelong ya hao wa sa itse dintho easy go to your husband and say motho wa ka ke bona so cheat ka mamang ha ona ne re mo nkebe mosadi wa bobedi
ke mo boditse
okay
nna ntate moruti le mme ha ke motho straight forward since from khale ke motho e re ntho e le blue ha le rete ke re rete ha ke motho o reng ke tla le ke potapote ntho e like ha ke mametse topic ya lona ke fitse go ke hloka go ke bue le lona le dithu ha ke motho o qata ntho ke mo boditse gore na ha ile mo e se le mo sa boitego jona le motho ha o itse mo nkebe mosadi wa boithu
Abare
nka se ke ka nyala motho o ithu ke a wena fa ke na le stress so ha ke tsebe gona o bua nete but o bua jwalo mare he still continue le motho e ba bile ba ntse ba dithu ba sebetsa ba le babedi company e one ba bang ba bonana daily ko every day o spenda nako e ngata le motho o feta le nna because ha e tsamaya mo se mo ka fo o fihla ka 4 mantsiwe o tlo go keta bophelo ba hae o re nako e ngata o qetana le motho o fetang
motho ena bra ke mang
Flavian
ya o qeta botsa nthong ene ke re ke tlo botsa hore I think o pusheditse tabeng ya hore o kwate o be angry ne and to an extent I don't think when o mo approach jwalo o mo approach se ka tsela ene e ka mo etsa hore a be comfortable but because ke kopa re ska ra bua ka yona ona jwale ke tla fa di number tsa ka mohlomong re tle re bua ka yona ke tla o thusa maybe le before kwala show kana ka o thusa mona hem so bore ya bobedi because I think the reason why ka re tshwantse o thusa o swaka wa bona o yentse di decisions tse right o dutse ka ra lenyalo la hao o kopane le di challenges and then wa utla le motho mo nkena re di seba re ho tswa fela hore o buile o le conditioning e jwang because most of the time I see o ka bua ntho e right mare ntho tone ya hao le tsela yo voice ya ka o fela e be change the whole thing wa bona and then o botsa gone o thola nnete ho nna intse le teng nnete mare be ke utima nnete because of ke tsaba tone ya hao understand but re tla re bua ka yona ya bobedi he o itse ntho di in-laws ya boraro ya tlo bata ba finance ke yone o affectile ngape lenyalo la hao maro ntse o dutse ka ra lenyalo la hao taba a finance o affectile jwang
na go motla bua manga ka tšhelete maga a sa di tšhelete straight go tšhelete e bukana ba bua manga gore ke ntse nna ke re ka checka mo phone ke tholo go o senetse ena ngwanyana o tšhelete Kwa bona ma o tla ba nthetsa re hey ke entse eng ha wa sheba ga motho a etsa ntho o entse ka tsile sona kwa bona
I think that's when ke hlokana
Haholo.
I think that's when ke hloka motho ruta ka step
Yes, Ntate Moruti.
why e gotlela tabeng ya gore banna ntho ena ya go se be honest ha banna e etsa gore ba etse dintho ka tsela e wrong because le haiba a ka batla step this man but tsela a qadileng ka
Kayo, the foundation is wrong.
and hape Ntate Moruti ke se ke sa le ke ne hanonne ha o le motho a ntate o bona ga ke batla o nka step ka bona le motho ke mo rateng ke batla go phela number 1 o tshwantse o etse o le motho wa ntate ka ebe ka kutlwisiso ya ka ska bua mosadi ya go hampe motho yo o tlo phela le ena ska ha o kena motho yo ska re lenyalo le ke leng ka ga lona le abusive ke abuse because of
no ke tlo jwetsa o stops no ke tlo jwetsa ntho ne sebetsa abedi one e sebetsa ka gore banna ba tseba gore basadi bana dinyatsi tsa bona di rata utlwaeng most dinyatsi di batla utlwa banna ba bua lona leshano leno and banna ba ya ka lona leshano leno banna ba batla basadi bana ba bangata ba batla batho ba bue maka ba batla rona le basadi ba rona re utlwane rona le basadi ba rona we are not in a good terms re a lwana so leshano leno le etswa ke o re fela di side chick di a le batla 2 and then ya bobedi ne le hore hape we leshano le create gore ha re soka re ba le platform ya go ba honest manyalong a rona le relationship
Okay.
that is ona le leshano le lengata because if who know ha ke se example ke nna ke nyetse ne lenyalo re honest lenyalo la rona ke a o jotsa re ke batla polygamy be ke ya ho disebo ne ke sa tlo ya ho disebo ka leshano
Okay, because the platform we dirile platform and foundation right. Ka ho ba transparent ka taba ya state.
So no sa tlo
ke kopa go botsa mona ke kopa go botsa kene ha ke re nna
but you kill it before tamo why understand if honona le transparency honona le dinnete let's say ke batla le step and wa ndumela re ke batla step then ke lo batla motho ke internet o nketsa re ke lo senya ke fihla mothong yo ha ona nteka nketsa gore ko senya ha ona nteka nketsa gore ke bua hampe because remember if ku bua hampe mara ke batla o tlisa mothwane ke batla tlo le kopanya le mothwane that's when the problem is
okay I understand that
so ntwe e etsa gore batho ba bue di basadi ba bona hampe ko ba ke a tsaba re nna le mosadi wa ka le nyatsi ya ka
ha ona mohlamba tlo kopana
so like ka bua whatever ke a tsaba but it's just that it's a system e bete o bana ba sebedisang but again ke understand why bana ba sebedisa if uno na le bo honest manyalo le di relationshiping ene ka taba ya boost ya step e discusswa uno sa tlo ba le bothata
ba re le hande te motho ke kopa go ibotsa yona ha o le mosadi o tlo monna bua mosadi ya hampe ho wena ene o tseba go motho nkana wa etsa lo here phile ka ofela a feleletsa nyetse o nana wena o tlo treata jang ha gone o kena wena ka leshano o nana go le bophilong bo tlane tlo phela jang because ha ke bona no le se ke divorce he
ka nako yeo batho ba hona jwale because taba step ha iso bintho e batho ba ibuang ka bo honest ne that is why for now batho tla ne ba bua mashano that is why ene ka nako yeo ke o nyetseng wena tops ke be ke lo jola le motho ka nako yeo a kre ka nako yeo ha ke sona hano re ke tla batla step so that is why ke tlo qalang everything ka leshano
yes
wa bona ntwe
step se batla tšhelete
no
se batla bo le loaded financial o ka se go batla nka mosadi wa o ithusa na tšhelete o tlo phela ka mosadi o
Ntate Moruti hloka go ruta ka step
e tlo ba topic e tlo reng
no e tlo reng ka nako e telele but o hloka
mara ka motsonyana o tswa ka step se tswana una taba o re step se batla bo motho bo le loaded a se nnete Stepu se tshwana le lenyalo hantle. Lenyalo le batla tšhelete, le stepu se batla tšhelete, but I ke tsebe taba o ba to be loaded ho bolela eng. I don't agree because when ke nyala step auswaka, let's say ha ke tlwele step, if ke nyala Seleke ne ke monyala, Seleke a sebetsa, wena wa sebetsa hona jwale? Oh, that is how utlwang wait.
Oh yeah.
Now, if ke nyala Seleke, Seleke o sebetsa le mosadi wa ka, ne o sebeletsa hobane nna le wena re a thusana. Le potso o sebetsa gore nna le wena re thusane o aha lelapa la rona. Wa bona? Now, ha ke nyala mosadi wa boraro, a le yena a sebetsa, ho bolela hore jwale
le yena wa tla o thusana ho aha lelapa.
Now, Stepu se tlo ba heavy when monna wa hao as wena o sa sebetse, le yena a sa o kgone financially, a ba tlisa mosadi e mong wa bobedi, then se tlo ba heavy Stepu jwang.
I think that's one of the reasons why I have
yeah. No, when I'm now talking fellow come hotel to mamela shuyena because ke tlo ba thusa bana ba bangata because ke tlo ba thusa because ona jwale monna o ka ra step wena o ka ra step es re bua tjena it's just that la yo monna wa o ka ra sona jona pesa
ma o ka ra sona for the fact that hona le motho a utlwa a jolang le monna hao for 3 years wena o le lenyalong le monna hao for 4 years, that means le stepu le difara fela ka dilemo ba di le stepu. And for your husband hore a bue leshano ka tšhelete a ba isa le lapeng le lenyane bile ha isa lenyane ke le lapa le lenyane ya o ke le lapa le lenyane o stepu. It's just fela ha le soka le etsa formally but o stepu
tsamaya o lo le motho bana o ke la nna tsamaya antsi o dula le ka tsamaya o lo le yena o ska nna tsamaya o ntse o ne
le go tshepile a se ke hula mantswaka
na topso hloka
o ga farleke ene go jwetse you are going to destroy your marriage lo ja o no qala bua le rona o no bua very powerful but a go mametse no o ene ibile ke fila hore no
the more tops unto bua I now understand the litaba ya hore o itse ho yena nka step abasas batli. You cannot say motho ntsamaya o lo dula le yena o bona hana when you come and say munyale tsela o bile ntsamaya o lo dula ho yena ha ke nahane litaba ya hore o itse monke step it was civil and right. Now that means we buile but we bua ka tone e seng right. Now tsela e wena o leng ka yona tsela o batlang ho handle this whole thing ka yona ke yone e tlo delayang hore o be right lenyalong o bo be happy. Because now you are dragging the whole thing ka your personality. Already also ka o stepu ntho santse o be wa etsa no is to make peace and deal le taba ya ho phela ka step because already o ka hara polygamy. Now taba ya ho lwana ya ho motibeka ya ho etsang is not gonna work. Okay, it tlo etsa jwang at the end of the day you're going to lose your marriage.
But do you think that now that Sebale situation in Sena is setibile ka mokgo e entseng ka teng no, do you think that it would work with the lady that is already existing kapon monna hai tlama dule fatshe no a bue le mofumahadi wa hai hore jwale he ke ipone hore me polygamous man? So do you think that it would still work with the existing lady because o sa senyile ke o so already? Now I'm afraid that o tlo mo amohelana, is there any gonna be peace because the lady tops because I get o sa utlwisitse bohloko a holo ka lebaka la o sio no le ngote that lady o a temperature ngwana no o tla bang kopana le bo siba hai le bo mang a bang phone ka di private number bang waka e be ke betsa ena ntato hela motho ona phone se se sa wa kana ngare ntata ba mo protect go how can go phone o tla ba tsebella kae and now so o na le di details tsohle ka ona tswa bulela protection order
a ntsetsa gore ke kgawane le motho wa hae ke ka motho wa hae o ile gore o ka ga abusive marriage ke kgawane ntho tse ngata
so santsane tlo loka le ha ile tje
yeah
jela ke be ke mo botsa ke why o fa motho wa gago di-details tsaka if o na le problem wa sa kgalemele motho wa gago ka kwa
a o swaka tlo go jetse tops tlo go jetse because jole se renkile nako e telele ke ka bua le wena ka thoko but ntho ke batla go jetsa yona ke once mosadi eno a o founela nyatsi ya monna e o founela e o raka o nana wa ya etsa jwalo
ke ka lebakeng la motho ke tlileng ka ena
ke ka baka la
ka la monnaka
okay hona le monna ya ka reng nyatsi ya hae nyatsi ya ka ke kopa o founele mosadi wa ka o morwake
nna ke ipone nna wa ka wa kgona ho tsho jwalo nna wa ka wa kgona ho tsho jwalo because ha ebe o kgona ho fanya tsao di-ID number tsaka details tsaka gona ke dula kae it's possible
a o swaka ke mang ya re matsatsing ana ho thola information ka motho o tshwanetse o ikope motho mo mo
hai nna ke nana o nkile o yena
no
o bona bothata ba go nahana a o swaka
ke nana le the
nana o
trust
nkile o yena ka motho o na sa ntsebe because le ka kolong o tla ba ntse go ke bone di-certificate tsa hao e ngwetse tjena o kwetse eng le eng why ha o batla go mosadi hao a respectwe ke motho wa gore ke amoele motho wa tshwanetse o respecte
no ya lona ntho e se senyehile but still if o no le motho ya mamelang a ke tse bore motho ya mamelang o le kae if o no le motho ya mamelang le motho ya ratang monna hao o rata because ka go jwetsa most ya dintho tseo nyatsi ya monna we a di etsang ha ona mo monna hao a mo rommeng teng it's just that the only thing e nkwatisang ka monna hao ha ntho ena e se le tjena ha a tsebo protecta wena a protecte le lenyalo la hae
yeah
the only mistake ya monna hao ke re fela ha a tsebo protecta wena and then ha a tsebo le protecta eng lenyalo la hae wa bona
goba le ha bona
tops now that is the mistake number one monna hao ha tsebo protecta lenyalo la hae ha tsebo protecta le wena that is number one mar dintho tse ngata tseo mosadi ana di etsang tse dingwe o tlo thola gore o di etsa because o batla gore wena o tsamaye that woman she's trying so hard that is how tlo bua dintho tse ngata and ka bomadimabe o santse o qetile le nompa o duditse ke manganga fela but ha ile ntlentle mosadi ya ne dintho tsotlhe tsa di entseng wena purpose ya hae o na batla go tsamaya o na batla go tswe ka ra lenyalo leo wa bona o batla monna wa hao and now the way wena o dealanang le dintho le this situation ka teng o tlonka monna wa hao o mo be train o bo fana ka yena go jotsa spirit two things tse tlo etsalang o swaka ka wena ya pele o tlo fana ka monna hao kapa ka tsatleleng o tlo etsa monna wa hao wena o tlo ba se hlola wena hosane situation e ka rantlo ya e tlo o etsa hosane o febe ka sehlolo o iphumana o feba and ha ka ba o se febe o tlo iphumana o so le sona because of the situation because tsela yo se ntlelang ka teng if o sa gone o dilana o sa gone se hlola wa se change se tlo change wena so that is why kiring allow me to help you ke ka fa di number tsaka and then re bue ku thuse because this thing internally ho luka e ka luka and then e ka luka ka hore ngwanana ne a tswe kapa e ka luka ka hore ngwanana na be teng kapa e ka luka ka hore wena o be right but e ka luka ntho
hai ke utlwa ntse mo botse
yeah can it tops wena
ntate moruti ke kopa ho botsa mone he when it comes to family ya hae ha re qabane mo a ba bua hampe le se ra tsa mano re ha bona ha ke ka family ya ka ba nshauta a bua le ka ke ngwana o bona motho a sa kgathale ka go bua le wena fela ha go bua nka o lahlela kwana go re ka go skata fela yo yone e tswe ke ntate moruti ke ya girlfriend ke you
before ke tla ho yona o motho ya jwang wena personal pelo enyane
haholo
o motho ya buang ha o bua ha o kwata o reacta jwang
ke ya boma fela ndi mo ha ke batla bua maka ma ke le kwana ke a thola wa ke sa
a ke le ndo o batho ba mo fampa wa na
no lona wena le monna wa hao le tlo frustrateana because number one kana ko yengwe ke tseba ka my first ex wife tselana frustrate ka yona ke ne be ka mo jotsa ka re wena o tloa tsatsineng la e ka ba re shopong la e ka ba re stratong mo o mphaphelang teng ke tlo attack-a gona moo ne ke mo jotsa ka re bona this time ka re ke kgathetse ke attitude ena hao ka re but from today you must know that mo ha ke ka bona reaction gore na re tilling I'm going to give you the same reaction and it can be double and then ke change. So sometimes also that is why you would say but how come there are a lot of things so as much now analyze the fail analyze the mistake low and self you feel out you don't have the strategy to deal into and I can't about but hello deal analyze this thing it change our it will yet a bad person, you know. That is all in the rata, that is all in manganga, that is why now when I solve a problem, make a problem. Or solve a problem, make a problem, you are not going to win. What's about OCM with a one? What demon, unshabeli, sweet or shabella, everything. Armurutin of a manakilistabo.
Yeah.
Kilemangana, Kisama Melimus Munaka. Armeki one sets a munaka leading to Tenya, Kimulon sets a lina. Are kamera rukuma mele are kile ka change completely o fihlela monna ka nrekela koloi o temone are monna mo reketse koloi monna ya montsha mosebetsing a mo qala business ba qadile business le monna ya o qetela are hona jwale monna ha sa rata o tsama haholo monna yo suspenda nako le so also ka nthetlo le shapa lona basadi the system tse o le di sebedisang get our situation is even worse because here is the problem. Now when you don't attend the problem, you are attending the person. How attending problem anyway? You are attending the person, not the problem. Manyalo alona asinyo por fela le tsibi ho fapanya problem le motho lona le lwana le motho not problem.
Sure.
And now you must remember when you run a remote automatically that person is going back, to fight back. And you must also remember as a man, la hike or yet it's a mistake, but tabayau when approach, I'm still expecting a respect. Jolaka mau, haiba mau, au yet it's a post. How na mo muruakan kapomuluansa because they live mau. Now some approach a mouth, approach on to
respect.
Kim Mewaka. So le have our yet possible, but they respect intelligence. Lenta tao, intelligence, you always consider kinda to again. You also consider Kubu to akayan. So approach a right. So as much as Swaka, in Munao Ali wrong, I didn't to mar make no mistake. Wabana also just so Mutiali Rata, Mutial Luana. Umutia ya boma au swaka una mshadikolo kandi nyolo le na aliyo mix and then we say little frustrated na wanis little frustrated na habu shuku kana nyalo leo and manyalo mangata a chinchile batho because batho ba ngata ba hlolehile ku dilana le di probleme ba dilana le batho ha re dilana le probleme manyalong a runa ba dilana
sa go bule na go ngata askiska o kena molomo sa go bule na go etana mala nna ke batho ba fair and honest to call le di thuso as khibu nna ke mo twa tsaba nna ne ke sina problem le ha monna ka ana le motho kantle. My problem is enkwatisa nga futisa la itse ga bua mo site o ntukisa go tla ntukisetsa mona enkwatisa nke o nkira ha bona family ha ya ba ntruta debt ke ne ke na le business ha support di business ntsa ko ntho mongwe ke etsang ha support at all se mo hloko a go ntate motho o gona go support ngwana le go feta nna a bile le monna ka o bile le ngwana a sa le moholo ne ke feel go because of ona le ngwana o tlo thaba o tlo support a be e be ntate o right ha di etse ka go fela ntho tseno ha be le teng bophelong ba ngwana wa ile ngwa hae ai one
ke go ba botsa potso e one le lana na ke ka ile monna wa hao e ngata ne
na go e ngata re lwanang go ga ono kgetla ke ba fetsa be ke re sa lwana
le lwana
ha ke mo botsa ntho ba aggressive le se ke tla mo tsa ntho ke batla conclusion te mo
okay monna o tempela hao okay no ha tswe ne ke batla go botsa something a uswaka ke tlo botsa something ne ntho ena etsa gore ke botse gore o teng pela go kapa jone ke na le ntho ene ke re ke tlo e bua ke batla o tla ntho ena le lwana ntho nako e ngata ne okay ke go ba botsa botse be go tlwela o soka why batho ba rata o ya jwaleng ba lo investa tšhelete tsa bona ka jwala
I don't know ba night
se ba lebatsa bojwala bo ba lebatsa mathata
most that is why batho ba nka le tšhelete ya go qeta ba ba ya jwaleng ba lo jwala from both why
why
people they invest mo bana ba tholang peace teng
Sure.
hey
Sure.
hi top simame yo
if you don't know how to create peace shaba ditlapo di tlala jwang shaba dithavene di tlala jwang that thing e bolela gore ena batho ba nka ditšhelete tseo ba nang le mabaka ka tsona ba ba ya dithaveneng le ditlapong ka tsona why ha re tlwele bofebe ha re tlwele gore ba yang bofebe re bua ka ba yang ditlapong why batho ba ya ditlapong ka ditšhelete tsa bona people they invest mo ba tholang peace teng that is why batho ba yang tlapong motho a nke tšhelete a gotla sena letho
Nix. Yes, ntate Mokgotsi.
a gotla sena letho a kampa ka dima tšhelete ya transport if a le tsebe gore le etsa malapa a lona be le kgotso jwang banna ba lona ba tlo nka tšhelete tsa bona ba lo di-spenda mo go na le kgotso teng
Which means in this case, ha supporta o siameng.
O thola
PC we kry-a o
ne ke re ke tlo motsa le gore monna yo spenda nako le mang le haholo o spenda o fitlha ha high late if monna wa gago a fitlha late a robaletsa mo go tsho gore peace o e thola mang and ma spenda nako teng ke ma tlo investang teng now wena you are fighting somebody Disable said something ke Disable mo
Network.
Disable said something yo mo
Okay, ke yo.
Disable said something a re monna wa hae le hana mosukudisa ka ntho tse itseng marona yetsa bonnete ba gore
monna ho wa thaba
monna hae wa thaba a tsamaye monna hae a tsamaye a ntsa thabile so that a tla thabele go gutlela ha hae
Sure.
because ye we are dintho tse tsang gore basadi e shapang basadi ko basadi they don't understand gore ka nako tse ding go dilana le motho
e seng problem
go dilana le mistake o bolele ka motho o ka dilana le mistake mara o bolele ka motho wena bo setse ka mistake ya motho yo mara yana motho ona ba le tlo a ba bo mo lositse
okay
ke kopa ke pheta
okay that is why we say deal with the problem not a person
not a person
Ba o botsa he ntate Mokgotsi ha e le mo a thola peace ka kwa mahana le mathata a sa kgone ho thola thuso ka mo a tla monna
o rata
It's a sign of
rata
love.
it's a sign ya o rata because ona le chance ya o raka ya motho wa hae mara le rato la hae ke ba from experience o swaka ke tswa ho tsona ditetseng ke tswa ho tsona o swaka nna ho bua mothana le experience ndo o rata ne ke rata my ex wife o fihlella ke tswa ka tlung mara ke mo rata ka mo jwetsa re ko rata ka pela ka fela don't want to lose you mara ne re lwana o fihlella ke tswa le ha se ke tswile ne ke mo rata le mohlane ke lo mo divorce ke mo rata but it's just that the problem ke gore ne re sa go ene ke mo jwetsa ona rata o njwetsa once a dule le ntho o sa dule mo o dulang teng because ke ne ke lo hira ka lo hira pele o na rata mpotsa gore once a dule mo o dulang teng why go gotla mone ne ke mo jwetsa gore ke gotliswa ko ba ntse ko rata ntho e nketsa gore be ntse ke matha ka morago ntse ko rata mara be ke mo jwetsa gore ka tsatsi le leng ntse ke tlo utlwela ene le
ntate Mokgotsi ntho go motho a na le mathata a teng wena ha a sena mathata a ba tsamaya ha na le mathata a batla ke
re tla bua o soka ke tla o fa di-number tsaka
ke na le tsona
o tla bua le nna o sane
okay ntate Mokgotsi no
Thank you.
problem thank you
ya o sa le gole mo re yang teng
Yo.
guys a re bueng he
a mare taba ya go santse go ite ka sethepu ke bona e potlakile a o sana nako ntate
a e potlakeng
a o sana
a
nako
e potlakeng
yo
no e potlakeng ntho step you know why ke tshwantse ke rute ka sona banna ba etsa di-mistake tse ngata
ntate
lot of
moruti
mistake le basadi ba etsa dintho tse ngata ba etsa di-mistake tse ngata guys topic ya rona tsatsing lena le a e fetile o sinto
tops
e ne
e se tops a batlile a e fetola mamela he topic ya rona today viewers at home ke hore lona batho ba batlang ho nyalwa taba ya hore o ready o tseba jwang hore o ready for lenyalo agree you want to get married now o tseba jwang hore o ready for lenyalo secondly batho ba ileng hore ba ka hara lenyalo lona ke eng kapa ke difeng dintho tse di entseng hore o feel hore ke ready no to commit myself ka lenyalo
because the tops I thought marobuletse ro kene lenyalong
as ready yes
Marilyn no I feel like I ready
Sure, hi.
Little dilana le di-problem ka teng a ready
And ke feel
Nna
like
ke tlo nyalwa ke
ke ntate moruti tofolax
kanet mara ka ke batle re dwele ho yena ne ke mpa ke feta fela gore le yena ha ready le the way I handlelang dintho ka teng
it
guys
shows hore she's not ready
question ya rona tsatsing lena kore how do you know that you're ready jwale ka lona ba batlang manyalo because what's ke re jwetse guys if le ya manyalo le sa tsebe gore le ready guys le ikisa frustration e bile le e bitsa top so frustrated
oh yeah
if we re manyalo re se ready and two re sa tsebe re ready re ikisa fela frustration that is all about ba nyetswe mara ba ikutsweditse khotso e bi rona le betirana ntsa phela le one
yo
and not because there is something wrong ka lenyalo but because we le ntong yo sa itsebeng guys what's ba ka tsatsile leng ho kila etsalang
ntate moruti
ho kila etsalang ka tsatsile leng ke ya Soutpane ke Soutpane Bloemfontein mona there's a place between Soutpane and then me ke ya Soutpane I fika Soutpane if my cousin I think I'm ready because I understand that marriage
it's not a fairy tale
ke go ba o request
requester
Emang it's all
honey
request
honey sesedinyana ke kopa o requested ye
ke go ba le batho ba reng bona bana na re ba ready re go ba request lena le thula oh let's do it
okay a ke tse Lioness a re nna ke batla partner without marriage but not married men
ke mo jose ke mo jose
muthusi
o batla partner
o batla partner but ha batle married men and ebile ha batle
o
lenyalo
maka o etse ke di disappointment for ja le bua ke monna ene le possible not for but ba kgonang ho connect emotionally easy maka
because basadi re di emotional being
le connect very easy that is why o ka ratana le monna mo tha o qetile bo connect le na bi ba o bo kwata ha tsamaya ha hai le ne sa winit it's not an easy thing ntho ka ba le ntho
partner mare be le sa nyalane
le sa nyalane ke rona batho ba kgona go master because rona re kgona go robala le wena be re sa connect le wena I can sleep le wena yes and yes mara ke se interested ke sa tlo nyala that's why I need the girlfriend motarata le girlfriend for 5 years amunya for 5 years banyala o be le girlfriend ya dile asn't it now ntene ke batla go tlala o yona guys ke yana hore ka nne ke re ke bang
no ne re bua ka taba ya hore na batho ba ready na how do they know that
o ne ke re batho ba ya manyalong ba se ready and then ba
lata frustration
ba ikisa frustration because guys most of us we always think we are ready most of us we always think we are ready so that is why ke batlang le tlo ba honest le re jwetse hore wena personal why una ana ready for lenyalo wena kana itse ka jwetsa mamora
na kenang ya ka tlo kwala show le teng hleng bathong ba ratuwa ba ka le bona le ba leng hore ba ka hara lenyalo wena o tsibile jwang hore now o ready for commitment and ke bone le bontate no ba ntse ba bua hore bone ba batla lenyalo ba batla ho kena lenyalong ke eng ntho e o etsang hore o feel hore now you are ready for commitment ke eng
na wa kgonahala hore o ka kena stepong le moruti nna Jam Fox nna ke a kena buti wa ka ha monate jwang ke tlo kena ke matha ka maoto a mabedi Jam Fox ke a kena buti wa ka ke tla bona
Azra bom disebo
ba ka batho ba bantse ba ba
I'm already know
thing about me is that I learn from people's experience and I never
wanna try
cause
of results
o motswa ke ba
Mpho
mpore
are o ithutile from the experiences about and then now have at because of the results
Your
question it hard
this question is hard
di seba ke bana ba re ba bes guys let's
Tata, because no ga le batla lenyalo mama Azra izo ba le batla lenyalo disebo ka ga lenyalo disebo re thuse wena ke ntwe yentseng wa ntate ha re will you marry me o dumele
mpho true serious
are jo o ka motse mo dumelana le mpo go question it hard
o dumelana le mpho ha are yena o lenne ka di experiences tsa batho
okay yes
guys le khotsi
taba go readiness au guys ho re fela ke re kanti le batla lenyalo le se ready
are kwale topic e re khotsi
ai re
and then re tleta beng ya wena why una hana already
okay
are mamela mo so lovely because are yena already are fe readiness ba hai
okay nna te moruti hona le dintho pele tsene ke sa di dumele ne tsene ke feel hore I would not say yes to
kima witness
wideness or in are we are ready to be honest
we are
not ready to be honest
that question hey it's one ha wena o batla step okay guys question ya runa re ya kwa guys but ba batlang lenyalo kapa ba batlang lenyalo o monna kapa mosadi why una hana o tseba jong re so le ready for lenyalo kapa commitment ba leng ka ra lenyalo
king
ya ka o tsibile jong re so le ready re ka nyalo because bopaki ke bona ba motho ya qetang go tswa mona o itse yena o bile ready ka ra lenyalo mara ha o mo mametse no lenyalo le motho ra palo le motho ra ba in the high position of the agriculture
yo hi
Selekere a rabe ngwana rona
okay ya feeling that moruti it's willing to change
utlwa seleke o thing
wa tseba
prophet Buthelezi our account
to co-host maybe another yes
okay
aba wa tseba nna step sona se okay tle ke ba
are
ga
nna step setsa ngampane
ke ba
sonoro re tsebe sonoro
ke bo sengele
okay
ke ithutile boikokobetso
kena tofalax re jwetse
and then ga le letsang nna nka se re ke ready hle lenyalo la stress hle gore jwang ga ke tsebe tsena ga le letsang tsena a re bue re ne re bua last week ne re bua ka di love language panele netletse batho ba requesta today okay fine ha re bueng how do you know that you are ready for commitment because ha e batla kaofela re batla ho nyala kaofela re batla ho nyalwa now how do you know wena as an individual go wa tseba nna ke le lerato seleke now I'm ready for lenyalo ke indinto tse o feelang gore okay because now ke so those things dinke tsa ready for lenyalo and people ba eleng gore bona already ba se ba le ka hara lenyalo ke eng lona e ntseng gore ho be easy for you guys to commit la bona e swa ka yang it's very simple can need it is
So Maleke wena re tsebile jang gore o
ke ready okay ntate moruti ke go amohela change
okay.
yes at first ne ke lwantsha change haholo especially change e tlang e tliswa ke my partner
Okay.
yes ne ke lwana le yona ne ke sena compromise ne nona le ntho tse ke feelang gore if I don't feel comfortable with I would not do them ne and ke ne ke sena the understanding ya hore lenyalo ha la tshwara ke nna as much as ke le batla ha la tshwara ke nna I'm not a decision maker now for me to get lenyalo I have to please a decision maker that is why bana besong ke re nna ke ready 100% no ke changeile in many things ko re shebang ke changeile taba ya boredi ba ho batla lenyalo bon changeile ke se ke sa changeile ke diverse ke changewa ke boredi ne and le hona le pride e smooth e nice pride le sa etseng le rata ne ke le jalo nna no tla nkgalemela gore a ke rata ha o tsamaya a ke rata ha o etsa eng a o qeta o bua o starta koloi nna ke tshwara cap ke tswa so
O nona le pride ya.
mare e smooth e motana ke are ke pride ke bone after change gore but that was pride that in any pride in a sense of you are telling me as my partner gore ha ke batle eng I will not argue with you kana ko o buang the environment the everything is cool ha ke arabisi I don't shout but how qeta ho tswa the very same thing on khalmeletseng yone ke lo yetsa
Oh,
nice and cool
he le re duba.
mare he ke changile bana besong ke ka strateng sa lenya amen
Kgaleletsang ke na ha ke bone no requestile. Ke bone no requestile.
hello langa
Guy,
Re tele kae?
like ngirelele nyalo ka get mo DR November.
how
Osh man, nna ka la baizisa man.
O re langa?
Last tip. Kirele u ka re ke a go teng, tlo tlo nya di se soon.
o tlo nyala step
Baizisa.
Langa, runa beng ba panele ha re so qalelle le ho prepare lenyalo a runa. Lona teke lenyalo.
batho ga go so ka re ntsha di-page tsa o ngolla bo malome ba ngolle
Langa,
Mara Karlam baizisa man. Kandi mo step mo tshwantse motho a bolela le mamkhulu tshwantse tswele ko ntlena. Re botseng ba ba leng step mo. Nna Karlam baizisa mo. Ba re nsuchua wa mo. Ba re ndima bona dime mo ka re ke load shedding.
Butlepe, you need
Ka
to
bolela le mamkhulu.
Hoti ke batla hoti mpore re tsebo ke tsebo thusa langa.
yeah I'm not afraid
You need to start hosting camps in events where we discuss.
I
and
don't
learn
mind.
more from these people.
I'm a human
Are
being,
you
even as a
okay?
medical doctor.
Yeah, on that.
At the end of the day, I'm a human being.
yeah
Nakiri. Kanda haba bolela le mam le ndlovukazi. Ba tswela ko ntle or ba ira bang. Tshwantse ba bolela le nna next to me na.
Butlepe.
Kopa ba le step ba re botse.
Ha tlile ho wena, ha bua le mamkhulu o tsela ka ntle kapa when ana le mamkhulu a bua le wena o tsela ka ntle.
Hana le nna o tswela kantle. Hana le mamkhulu o tswela kantle.
Number 2.
Thola kgaleletsang.
Kgaleletsang.
Thola re futhumetse mona motho ke yena o batla tswe ntho tsa bo step.
No ke batla go botsa dipotso le di soe ke dumedisang a kere.
Eh,
Ka tsena fela ke bua.
Sharp biscuit. No, what's malanga? For me, lena go ka le kopane le motho.
Re kopantsitse ko wena.
Yeah.
Se nna le kgwedi.
ke ba kopantse ke ntate moruti yang
Ke lena.
yang
Panele ya o tsebe. What's good? But what is it? Baba must talk. My friends must talk. How well, Leslie? How TV?
O se a botsisa ne?
Hanela bona itshale manyalo. I show you
Don't
like
even ask.
Okay. Now I don't know, but le discuss that about step of fihlela kae.
Mamkhulu ba mmoditse ka nna. Wa tseba ka nna mara wa re ya ka go hore the guy wa ya tswela ko ntle.
O tsibile jwang hore o tsiba jwang hore mamkhulu tsibile ka wena?
Wa tseba mmoditse wa bua nna le tse dinyakang kono.
Man, ke una ntse tlo dinyaka.
Mamkhulu
la bua. Le se le bua. Go tsi ba o itile mo tsele. Ba o itile mo tsele. Ba fera. Ba fera.
Nna motata le polygamy o sola le motho a fitile. Langa wena le mamkhulu se le bua.
bene wa re ya ka wa guy a tswela ko ntle.
Okay. I can say, but if maybe nka ba honest, ne? Khwedi ke nana I can say ha so be I get sure but I'm not sure. But ke nana hore ha so be di guts I get sure tsa hore aka bua.
Ha so ka ba le digatse bo sister wives ba bua. A ke re ba se ba bua. Now ke digatse tse fentse santsing di bete. Because mamkhulu when a hloka anything
but
from
Langa. You are right. But how mo botsa a reng?
Ke botsisa ke nna ke motho mo se.
Okay, but guys ke nana
Male kgwedi le utlwana.
Nne ma tsantsi.
Ya no, what if I was scamming mata?
Once came la pen.
Sana hela.
Mata aba skemi ke medem ke o ka mtsiba manyalo di tswa manyalo di tsutso ke tsa bona. Ke medem.
Ke ra like a ke le na le kgwedi le utlwana. En ga ba itshaba le montle.
No, but ke kopa ke kene no khalaletse ke kopa ebe nna buang le
Langa. Yes.
Langa
Moruti.
hona le hane ke qeta ho kopana le mosadi wa ka e mong ene ke monyetse ne e mong. It took me a long time hore ho be le dintho tse ding tse ke di disclose mo yena.
Le se le ka hara lenyalo.
Nna le mosadi eno wa ka re se re ka ra lenyalo ho nkile nako ke soka ke
O disclose certain
open
things.
up ke bula pelo ya ka. Because guys tsela yo re kopanang ka yona it can make things easy or ke bue kapa it can make things difficult. Number 2, o tlo thola hore there are things so to that man a soka nga batla di Langa a di tsebe ka
yena ka lelapa la hae. Yes.
so a feelang hore a ka ke nga ba comfortable ra ka di discuss pela
Langa. That is why I have me a mo phone wa nahana hore maybe me a ka tshwara dintho tsane ka tlameha ke arabe a tshwara dintho tsane tse ke sa batleng hore no Langa a di tsebe. That is why a tla be a tswa.
So sometimes na le dintho tse tla thola hore ha o qeta ho fihla bophelong ba motho ha le kgone ho disclose ntho ngwe le ngwe. Like nna hona le dintho tse ne ke sa kgone ho di discussa
le your wife
le my wife le tsa kereke the issues including le tsa chelete because our marriage ha ya ka ya re fa that opportunity hore re kgone ho bua. So that is why le ra ke thola di report le di ne ke prefer hore ke lo lata ke lo sora meeting le both leke
as present
le tse ding tsa dintho ne sa kgone di discuss. So sometimes it is na gongwe the ska expected dintho tse ding no kana what it is too early for you to expect dintho tse jalo because hona le dintho tse tla thola hore maybe ha so batlo hore o di tsebe kapa di challenges tsa bona kapa eng hana go ntse tsamaya ko ona di tla be right.
Nna tsepe jalo more ina ya
Marlanga le ka se kene wa bona ha o ready o ye mongwe tsi batla o jetsa hore you're not ready ha o soka o so kgathetse 5 months kgweding o sena le mathata no o so ba drained ya langa
o so kgathala nnes
langa
wa tseba hona le ntho ke nahanang ne e ka re nna according to me e ka re langa a ka botsa ho mogai ne like yes because wa itse ntho e ke tshabang gore ke tshaba hore no langa no o ibipetsa ka mathata le ngore a bipetsa yena and ha sa bipetsa ne sefubeng sa hae e tlo etsang e bolaya some of the feelings some of the thing ene re ya hola aba se khone ho seva hantle in a proper way because her emotions are not well in a well state because ha ona le ntho e leng hore ya o bothera address it so that motho ana khona ho lokolla wa understand because no sorry langa yeme ayemele ntatani maybe uta what if ulanga uzawungala vele because of ntona insansani developer it's still fragile so we don't want anything to break the glass do you understand
you are right no 150%
maybe utafumana closure maybe utafumana explanation and elilanga high create the explanation zama we understand and botsa in a very polite way bona ke utlwa una le moyo fatshe botsa in a very polite way
yeah.
so that you can get the purest truth out of it and then and then we mamele then give it time because now we don't want your feelings to be suppressed because you don't want to feel go jwale ka nnete langa sa khona lore
yeah perfect
yeah no I think this is a good advice Seba can I think because I think this are not going to be very powerful obana lona batho ba tswa fang o bua manyalo ha le tsebe re lenyalo ke talk show lenyalo ba tswa fang o bua skela nya lenyalo ke talk show
and o presenter and o presenter how guest because how the guest agree you can just decide to keep quiet talk show you are a host
the problem is how you talk in Halilwana. It's not right, but discussing and I was saying this thing to Mutomo and Kokalena. What's most about you? Batseba feeling ya kena ntlongwe rekese ireguwe ise buildwe batseba feeling ya kena apartment e ise buildwe mar baba nga batsibi feeling ya o start ntlo from zero now ntlo e qalwang from zero how ka lo botsa motho hore ha na qala o build ntlo hae o mo costile eng o investile nako in because nka we builder e hloka hore ina le mosebetsi o mongata so lona langa le batho ba ba mo le nne ke wala mo leholo ne re batla dintlo tse seng di build re batla batho ba seng ba builduwe re batla batho ha re batla o bua ha re batla o discuss ha re batla ho dilana le di issue and guys lenyalo le lecha kapa relationshiping enta what discuss your more and until discuss yet or let's more yet or understand yet or you must be able to know your partner so langa le ka se di relationship nga se belisa ba tlo bua o bo rena ke tswa fa o botsa lenyalo ga re tswa fa o botsa re a botsa ka nnete no langa samo botsa ngwane samo botsa then o tla inka from the answer o tla qala o mataka from ka
I investigate lo investigate ke batho
Galeletsa
o tsaba scam Galeletsa o tsaba scam Galeletsa wena ke ntwe ntseng hore o nana ka o nyetse
5 years
I went again, ma. I went again. Okay. ke ntho e ntse gore o feel gore wena you are ready go ba ka ranyana
wait nna le ntate ke dulang le nene re ratane sebaka se se telele ke high school sweetheart wa tlhaloganya so re bo re dula Faten City mme re dutse 3 years Faten City until re decide gore o itse keng ke nako e right gore re nyalane mare lenyalo ne lenyalo la dilo tsa teng man ha o tswa mo Faten City o tsena mo lenyalong ka re tlhaloganya go ga e sa bereka hai God o tla nna papala gai o tla bua o tla bosigo bo botlhe o ka kgalemela yo
a go tla nna papagae
ke re ke tla le tshuba ba ke re mathung ke na le tshuba ba yana ke go bua thata bathung ke re go senyegile kae ha ke kgalemele o itse ka re ithutana sentšha e bule ene re Faten City sebaka gore
kgaleletsang yanong wa nthusa
gale
ke project yo ya skunteri tle
ga ke batle next ke tšhodi Carol ke kopa o request love Carol a re ha ke batle next ke tswa ditšhuba bentse kotsi hampe ke lenyalo Carol a mo request tle
okay
o tla bona tshuba ba enka re fitha tseleng wa bona ka re ya tsamaintse ya nyolo ke o bua thata o kgalemile o tla o tshase phoshia eme o itse mo spilling o re ha emane kante go etsagala eng o itse batho ba ntate batho ba modimo mo go nna go botsa ntho e one fela ka batho ba ntate gore a batho ba ntate tlhalo tsa ka sentle mare
nketetse mohlala gale nketse dintho tse tharo fela tse o di kgalmelang
for example go ga re na le dilo di sele go re o kgona go for example o mo romento a tle ka ntho e so like o mo go like maybe sa itripa eding
baentsi ke mang baentsi gale ke kopa o be honest so that re kgone go thusanang gantle ke dife dintho tse goreng se ke lwanetse le ena since ke nyetswe
o itse ntate nna le motho a ka ga lwana ne mare nka go o stubborn mo o re gore ha o mo roma o mo tla ka serepe nka re wetsa ka bomu or di se ke botsa a ditlhalogantsa bone di right or maybe ba iketsa or ba yalo or go etsagalang
a o hlalosa galeletsang
be specific ka problem maybe ore that like you are saying o stubborn ne now be specific hore wetsi ntate moruti o stubborn kang ha mamedi 1 2 3 4 maybe e ke buang ka ntate moruti o stubborn ka hore le ha ke tla ka plan hore baby ha re etse plan eso e tlo tsitsang ha yetse now
ya planning gore a dumala ka le plan e ke buang tshwantse e be dintwa o kwa re lwane before a dumala tsana le yone
okay
go le ke ntho le lone o kana hana ke example mara ke ntho e right go ntho go longwe e mo khai buang ha dumatsane le yone ha ke mara ke batla sunlight o tla ka match mare go o dula le opposite go like ntho ke buang di tse ke re ka tlhaloganya tsa bone ga di monate go ke ntho ke struggle ka yone wa ya go ke mo understand gore maybe o yalo
wa ratana wa o jolla
ya go jola yone is not that go like ke ka ke ya message fela ne message fela wa this other girl na bua le ne mo WhatsApp then I'm founela but na a ke moanyana le gore ke batla phone ke mo founela batwati o etsa choice ya gago anga founa mo founela magare ha ke rate nna gore a buele ene watwati mare ene ke motho o tlang ka nako mo mmereko mo dula na le nna
go like re dula re di two wa tlhaloganya
le bereka
so
okay o ke motho o tlang ka
o tla ka
nako
nako go tswa mmerekong
se motho o tsamaya hane diala rena even re batla entertainment ke two ana di chomi like re dula re di two fela
but hantle ke ha o so mphe mabaka a tshwarehang hore ke
ntho e ke lwanelang ke ya gore ha re utlwane ka ntho e buang go na le ene
okay le batho ba buang ha kae le batho ba discussang le batho ba discussang
ba discussa yo re bua gore ya nna nkare ke a tsenwa nna nkare ke a tlhanya
Joan
wa bona ra bua like ke address issue ha ke batla go addressa issue na ke itse gore a wa nkutlwa gore ga nkutlwe wa tlhaloganya
Potso ka di
ke
last.
rateng ke rata eng
potsa ka dilas ha ne ntse le jola fana go kana o na ntse le jola ka pona ntse se jwana
no gona the time re le fateng se tirene le right o itse dile di tobetsa go sentšhile fela mo ha re kena mo lenyalong everything ka e change or maybe ha ke tlhaloganye gore why tshwantse go nne so
but I don't understand it.
ka re go nna le go thatanyana
But I don't understand or change e jola ka ba teng
Cause
ya
na
hore-
cause.
no not cause ya hore o ka jetsa hore ka motho ka change 3 years but design tse una sena tsona mix
wa itse gape ke na ke nagana gore maybe ke batho ba le gore ga ba nyetse ba setse ba na le that thing ya go ipolela gore ba na wa bona a ke re pele maybe na ipolela gore ga nlaole maybe no yena maybe ipolela gore ntho ngwe lengwe ke ene tshwanetse wa e bue wa bona gore go na le batho ba ba na le di-mind tse di yalo wa tlhaloganya so ntho ke e naganang ke gore maybe the time a ka nako le setse re dula fa Tennessee a na ipolela gore ga nlaole so no yena ko mo position ya gore nkare o nlaola ka sengwe le sengwe ke ene o batlang go bua sengwe le sengwe go ga ke tsila ntlhaloganya
okay now I can pieces okay now the last question ya ka fela gore ke motho o
no
wena
e re ke arabe o mokare ke marurisang ntho e ke e buang ke a se example ke ntho e le gore ya diragala ya gore if ke a moroma nna motho di ditse ke wa bona di-problem tse dingwe tate moruti tsa mo lenyalong ka ithago di dinnyane mare ke dilo tse digolo wa tlhaloganya so ene o nagana go ke di-example ka sunlight ka bo sunlight ke ntho e le gore ya etsagala e le gore ga re na tumalano go na le ene maybe for example ha ke maga ke reng tate ke batla go tlhatswa ka mmeke maybe ene go tla e rekile sunlight ya gage wa tlhaloganya it seems like ntho e ke e buang nna ga itse le motlhogong le diswe ke batla go itse gore a mme batho ba bontate ba yalo a mme ga ba retse or ba etsa fela for example even though like maga ke re kopa o ntlele ka hake I mean like ke rata kana keng snowfish go make sure go rata hake then answer the reason gore why should ke je hake do you understand this thing is sort of wa gona le bo contractive nyana mo gare
Can understand mme you know what mme that means in her marriage ntho e lwanelang haholo as much as ntate a spenda nako le ene e se motho nang le dichomisa maro o mme a re hana voice ka mantswe she cannot voice now le di plan because are di plan ntate moruti ke tlabe ke di bua le ene but ha dinki
yes
because now he feels like more of him and he wants to be in control over them.
Sorry?
o no reng khatsile
maybe ga go feleletsa na ke dumela tsena le ntho mare tshwanetse re e lwanele wa tlhaloganya tshwanetse re e lwanela that thing nka se fela ke re okay e re ke nke TV e ke e beye mole re be re dumelatsana gore okay tshwanetse e be ntwa before this thing e diragala go lwa tlhaloganya
okay nna ke kopa o botsa potso ena the way ke mametseng ka teng ka re lwanela dintho tse nyane now wa tseba ntho e tlo e shapang batho ke eng o mamele wena ke mang
Kgaleletsang.
ntho e shapang batho ke hore ya pele ntho e mosokodisang kgaleletsang ko tseba motho wa hae a bona mohlang o ka tseba motho wa hao o tlo tseba hore o expecta eng ho yena
yes
o bua eng
yo
o tla ka eng mo yena
Yes.
Peter. Now problem I think it's not only your man but I think Luena una le problem ya hore o dia ha o ithuta kapa leng wena le yena
Yeah.
le diele o ithutana
Yeah, ke yone ntho each and every time maybe ke ipolela gore nkare because of kile ka bua le cousin it seems like nkare ga ke batle go mo tlhaloganya ene ke mo tlhaloganya gore maybe ke motho o
no that is why
And-
ke
and
tshong
to be honest one tlhaloganya ke motho o ntseng ya mara nna for ene to understand him go nna thata
okay
go tlhaloganya.
now wa bona yena wa go tlhaloganya mara wena mo tlhaloganya it means ya no problem a isa le yena
ke we
ko wena
okay
wa tseba ko jotse ke na le batho ba sebetsang ho nna Sneke yena ene di tsempela re sebetsa ho nna ke ne ke na le mphomotseng ke na le be mamjalefa ke na le mang ke na le mang ne ke lwana le bona ka ba botsa ne ke ba lwantsha
Ka
full
sehlooho.
time ke ba lwantsha ene ke ba lwantsha ke utlwa ke sa understand Sneke why le etsa so until o fihla ntho ya hore kelelong ntho mphomotseng a ba re ho nna ka tsatsi le leng a ba re tate moruti o tlo re lwantsha bo re bolae ka tsatsi le leng o re bolaela ke re kenye na hao o bo re pate o re etse funeral straight because your problem kore ha o batle o ithuta rona individual o ithute rona individual so that you must be able to know who yena o expecta in how you expect in and to go since ke apply them to you ha ke sa bona le batho ba
Ha lwane.
a ke sa ba ke a tseba hore and I know who yena I cannot even a ke tlo motsa lo motsa ka ntho e itseng because I know this person ha tsebe niks o clueless so the problem ya rona ka ramanyalo a rona process ya mojolo with re lebala ho ithutana re enjoy that moment wa o jola
oho be re tlola ntho ya go ithutana
me re kgela ho ithutana
okay now re tla be re jola re sa tsebang
re sa tsebang now re tlo ithutana kae re ha re fihla lenyalong ke ona ke batlang ho tseba ene ke ona ke sokolang ho tseba ke a sokola jalo ho tseba le wena wa sokola ho tseba wa bona ntate mo o buile ka di-stage tse three tsa ntho tsa lenyalo o buile ka tse 4 ba re ke tlo bua ka sa pele o itse ke sa pele ke
court
excitement kore le excited ho monate
okay.
wa bona honeymoon
honeymoon
stage
phase
yeah honeymoon phase a ba re sa bobedi ke realization real mo jwale reality jwale ke tsebang hore be o mang hantle
yeah
wa bona are there's a stage sa boraro sa realization mo jwale o qala ho realize oh
ka di November ke motho
so wa bona so the problem en ke tlo jotsa yona stop fokotsa the expectation no because o tlo expecta dintho ho motho o tlo thola re hana tsona and now process o tshwantseng o etse no qala process ya o ithuta motho eno re ke motho ya jwang ke motho ya jwang ke slow learner ke motho ya jwang ke motho ya batlang dintho di etswe ka tsela e jwang
ke motho o buang ke motho o hana puo
ha jwale dilo thata
ene wena wa bua ene o tsega ke maikutlo wa bona
na ba bona ile jwalo na bona ha ile jwalo na hona bolela hore it's going to be difficult because ke ntone ke bolela langa ke re relationship ibile nna ke prefer relationship mo buang now the problem now o kopana le motho sa bui now una le a lot of responsibility because o tlo tsona le etsa o dule fatshe ithute now ene e tlo thusa wena ga itse dia ka that thing e tlo thusa wena hore o tsebe hore o expecta eng ho mang I mean o expecta eng ho ntate ena
yeah
o tsebe hore o expecta eng o tsebe hore wa tsona le batho ba la o batla advice wa tseba hore mara nka se ho monnaka for this advice
yes
how mo tseba monna how you o tlo tseba le hore mara I cannot go to my husband for this advice because yes. She's not good I mean he is not good. So that is why getting the only thing you to tell we yet no can stop the expectation and start from fresh mode something we to tell or so that you don't see or la araba check at tomorrow kima it's just that I don't want to go deeper but if obata oba relieved kore wena kore o stop the expectation and mohla o ka mo tsebang o tlo tseba gore tseba tlile moromo o rantlele le ntho le omo
Yeah.
o tlo tseba gore yo ga ke ka moromo o tlo
tlo etsa
tla le ntho
opposite.
wrong o tlo and o tlo tseba gore why a etsa jalo if ka ithutela o tlo fitla le stageng sa o tseba gore why a nagana tjena why a etsa dintho so
Wow.
once o ka fitla mo you are going to be relieved o tlo tseba gore now ho yena ke tlo tla ka ntho ena because o guti mona and then yena I'm not going to expect this person ho yona because ke a tseba he is not good on that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it today and also kala fancy.
ene ewa o bua nnete moruti because of le nna nako ke wa bona ha o kena mo point eo no yena ke gone yana ke tlhaloganyang gore go na le dilo tse dingwe tse le gore maybe ke di expecta mo gene a ke gona re bua re le babedi nako e ntsi so o ka kenya gore maybe ke expectile gore maybe a dire dilo go like a dire dilo ka tsela e so ka ntena ga se motho wa mohuta o yalo wa tlhaloganya.
And you know why do you expect? Why you know why?
Why?
Why would you expect that? Okay. Young man tjene ke tlotla le motho today ke ne ke re ke ntho kotsi manyalong ke di uncommunicated expectation.
Hey.
Eish.
Go bona o so ntho e buang o bua di uncommunicated expectation. O expected into tse sa di communicate le motho. O bonagana o tla inaga o bonagana o ruta inaganela ka bona tshwantse a inaganela kanti ho yena le siko ntho eo
No bua nnete o itse mo
Ya Mario ke problem ba sa di ba ngata e phete ntate mo ke
the
wela mo.
problem ya lona le sharp
E cause a problem. Hasas.
le tlo senya manyalo a lona ne le tlo ba frustrated
Ba bona batho ba re I'm guilty. Taba ya di uncommunicated re wela re le bangata mo.
but the problem is uncommunicated expectation because the uncommunicated expectation yes di tlo kwatisa you are going to be very angry because ba expectile motho na wa tseba hore ke birthday ya ka ona tshwantsa etse so this person wa tseba hore ke ne ke expectile in and ka ba botsena ha dio ka rakelello ya hae so you are going to be very frustrated ask this
ke ga re le batho ha re tshwane ke ntho tshwantse re understand ewa gore ha re tshwane ha re le batho
o tla motho re inshapo hore eo
Yo.
o tla batho bantse ba
Re bangata.
hore batho ba bangata ba guys wa bona di uncommunicated expectation the expectations tse le sa di buang tsene tlo le senyetsa khotso and di tlo senya manyalo a lona ne ke bolella motho ke re ntho mo frustrating batho it's when mohlomong ke buile le wena re se le ke rate 1 2 3 then how petile o bosa go tutlo nje ka re baby wa tseba ke decidile ke chintile a ke sa tlo o boy change without telling me we change la yona o le mong
E kotsi lo.
ikotsi
E kotsi John because already you have told me.
change esna yo sa communicate let's say you blala baby ha ke rata o tena mise mo go tshwanyane baby ha ke rata o tsama bosiu baby ha ke rata ha o nkarabisa ne o buitsetsa hore wena and most ya basadi la yetsa ntho no nna ke tlo ithirela ke tlo yetsa ntho mo lengwa e batlang ke tlo mo respect then how petile sometimes go tlo thola hore gale re bua ka yona to an extent mohlang o implementang ha ke sa expectile ha ke sa ishebile because ke buile le ona fela se sena taba le yona so how we yetsa ha ke attention ya ka ha isa le yo go yona ntho e yetsang change ya hao but if o gutla hore baby wa tseba ke nkile ka naha kapa ne ke mametse moruti November o ile a bua 1 2 3 4 5 ka nnete ke decide kapa baby ntho a no e bua yane ka nnete o tseba ke ile ka dula fast ka inana ne ke decide le hore sa hlola tsema bosiu ke decide le hore ka nnete be o mo yetsa aware so that I shebe change ya how I shebe John I pay attention
Hi.
Amen.
I pay attention
Hallelujah.
Because you are going to change how qetile bo ba miserable. Or sasa nna ke o itse ke tlwele Messi, o etse ha qetile nga appreciate ha Winix. Kanti motho ha sa ifa, ha sa pay attention into you. We fitting. But when you come back to the person who comes on, baby, what's wrong to no bua ka ona? Can meet this time wa tsaka ke utlwile and then fapane ke ipone or make it wrong 1 2 3. But it changed from today. You make that person to monitor your change.
Re ithutile ha shame ha wa utlwa go topic ya ka ya di omo le di sunlight ke intshitse ntho e kae utlwile monga shota mo a re ke bua fela ke ntho e le go di a etsagala ene re tlhoka mafoko a tshwanang le a gago a o moruti a re aga wa family
Yo.
Messi re atla but re atla wena Messi ntho gale but nna ke kopa hore if monna wa hao is a good man, which I believe that is why o decidile gore a o nyale ne
he's a very good man in bed. He's my first boyfriend. I love him so much.
Oh, shit.
Mara.
18 years in return, since 2007.
Sure.
Yeah. No, dula fatshe today yena and then 13 to no mo botse tsona wa bona 13 no mo botse mara baby a go jetse ntho so na ye we etswa ke eng sometimes o no mo botse le ne le kopa then o tla thusa then o fokotse di
then on tele anta are o kopa gore ke nne girlfriend ta ga on plan on tha are o kopa gore ke tlogele thipa e ya go itika mbogoto because of since ke tsena mo lenyalong ka re o itse keng ke tshotse mathata mantsi ke a bile mo magetleng
Ao Maritlena. Aba go kopa o go be girlfriend ya hae.
a re kopa gore ke nne girlfriend ta ga because of ka re setse yana o itse keng yo
Mara le se
ke tshotse mathata ke a bile mo ko pele setse ke lebetse gore o itse re ne re tsang pele so le bothata iso ke re nagana go le gona ge kena mo manyalong le gona basadi ra change man ka change dilo tse dingata
ya o qetela ntse ke nana gore le a etsa hape ha go mametse but basadi ba bangata ye nngwe ya dintho tse ba shapang ke ho ba go o be good ka reasoning
you want to reason for everything
we want to reason for everything and then una le di opinion tse ngata
very ngata we see unlimited
which is not good.
every day o tlo re gante ke go pele yo o itse shame
now little mamela mamela he little ba frustrated a pelo na hape batho ba jwalo if I can be honest to you now hape o batla nka bophelo very serious haholo we lenyalo le ntse o ro change mindset le ntse o ro nke nthongwe serious and that is why o tshwantse go khutla lo mo botsa gore o ratile eng ka wena so that you must not move away from dintho tsa di ratileng because na go tse ding e kana ba ona dintho tsa di ratileng now wena ka bakala lenyalo o so di tlweletse because jalo o so ikuka o le mosadi and jalo batla nka bophelo serious le ding wa bona nna ke moruti hape ke batla lenyalo but ha ke batle motho yo re tlo filang jale ke filang gore jale ke ntate 365 days ha ke batle ntho I want to have that thing ya ba a boy kana go tsene ke batla ba moshimane kana go tsene so I want a woman ya tlo dumelang gore nna le yana re be a girl and a boy wa bona so lona le qala le nka bophelo hape lona basadi ba nang le ba reasonang ba ntho ke tse ba etsang
Ba nang le di
opinion ba nka bophelo serious le depress about because wese o qeteng basadi banna we are not quick to act guys we are not quick to act. That is how come potsa potso be ke thila go sheba o bore be bintse ke balwe be ke re go utlwile and when are you expecting me to answer immediately? We are not quick to act.
It's enough. Jesus.
I think
This is me and that ko basadi re na le ntho tse common.
Ama pele mense re tlo ufa.
Messi re tlo ufa.
O ring ntho. Are
Ke o thata ne tlhogo o buele motho selo kore a nkare ha go utlwi nkare ga go go araba fta ka moso ke gona go arabang nna le ditse ke re we sinna last time we sin phaki boditse mama ka ke moditse nthe one ne because of nna re ke go kgaege banyana so mama ka ene ona ananyetse ma papa ka ba tlhokala ona le ngwana moshima ke re mama maybe because of nna ke gotse go sena ngwana moshima ne go gae nna ga ke tlhaloganye batho ba bontate go bantsi yang ene papa ka le ne me go tlhokofetse ka bonnyane so ga ke ba tlhaloganye gore
I wanna reason I understand. Kere how na reason.
ga ke kgone go understand
Because
so mama ka ula
ama pele khale a re utlwe o re Messi
Kere, when you grow up without a man and your mother only, and you are okay, there's no way you can see the importance of a man.
ne sgas
That is why not always I say how my parents taught me. I'm in my 40s, right? But I still want to go with the route that my parents took. Not that they are forcing me, but because of I see it as working for them. My parents are they're going for 50 years of being married. But if I can tell you, every day, like every second, I take pictures of them talking. And somehow I feel horror. This is the relationship that I want. They are going to 50 years of being married. But when I tell you, like for example, yesterday there was rain in Limpopo. A very big rain, heavy rain.
Messi
Ntate Moruti.
ke batla re tle tabeng ya potso ya rona.
Yes.
O tseba jwang gore re di for lenyalo?
Because I want to
Before araba ke kopa bale Miss P.
I was fortunate. My father was a king kontlong. My mother was a babe. Yeah, my dad.
Miss P ke kopa o
O request
request.
that lo
Ke kopa o request o so.
ke kwale fela moruti nna taba ye ke kgone go tswa nna ke utlwile mare go go like ke utlwile dilo tse le goreng khale ke batla go di utlwa mare ke go monata di bue ke motho a ntate le se ke fetsa go bua no yena ke nna papa go tlhokofatsa le monyane ke nna ka bona go papa go tlhokofatsana le 28 years wa tlhoga magana se tsa nyetse so ke gotse le mamaka le bana ba itriba go gae ba banyana so go thata go ke maybe ke nagana go thata ke tlhaloganya motho a ntate gore o bereka yang wa tlhaloganya because ke ke ya bona le ngwana moshimane nka be ke itse bokoa ba batho ba ntate ba ba nang le bone gore batho ba ntate ke batho ba yang le yang wa tlhaloganya mare ha dilo tse tsotlhe tsa go di bua no yana ke kgonne go bulega ditsebe tse e leng gore khale di le thata gore maybe ke kgone go di tlhaloganya mare ha di bua ke motho wa ntate no yana ke kgona go utlwa gore vele di teng di a phela wa tlhaloganya even le mama ka ampa advice ka site ya gage fela ha mfe advice ka site la batho ba ntate
Okay.
Yeah.
Mamela he le hoja papa wa hao ana le teng o no ke sa tlo nyalwa ke papa wa hao le hoja o nona le a brother o no sa tlunyana le brother wa o no sa tlunyana ke brother wa
Yes.
and the sad part kore nna le papa wa hao a re tshwana nna le brother wa hao even if le hoja o no ka ithuta monna
Ka bona.
ka bona ha o kopana le nna o no tlo tshwana la qale fa se ithuta nna because nna le bona ona mo re kopanang teng
At least,
wa bona and then most ya batho ba bangata ba batla go compare manyalo a ba batla go batla banna
bontate ba bone
no ba batla banna
ka se bontate ba bona e
bana ba
leng
leng
sona.
sona o ka motare ke so ke bone ke batla monna ya
tshwanang le my dad.
my dad because I saw my dad ona tshwere mama ka jwang banna ba bangata ba yetsa basadi ba bangata ba yetsa ntweng forgetting gore really banna re a fapana that is why you need to be ready go ithuta motho wa hao yena yo o kopanang le yena.
Come on now.
yena yo o kopanang le yena wa bona today ke jotse le basadi ba bangata nna ke jotse nna wa bona but ka bo madimabe ke ntse ke jotse that doesn't mean basadi ba tshwana ke kopanang le yena tshwantse ke ithute yena ka nako eo
Yeah.
ke
Okay.
kopanang le yena tshwantse ke etse jwang?
O ithute
Ke ithute.
yena.
So it is not a se nnete ntho gore batho ba nagane gore when re kopane le batswadi ba rona kapa batswadi ba rona ba ne ba ratana kapa bona ntate wa ona na le understanding and then bonana re monne o tlo kopana le yena na le understanding no ha se nnete so it's very important gore re ithute di-partnera tsa rona then it will help you ntho eno gore o kgone ho tseba gore o expecta eng o partner ya because o ithuta bokgoni o ithuta gore ke motho a jwang o ithuta gore o rata eng ha rate le yena o tlo ithuta le yena o tshwantse a ithute wena very important le yona eo man then how qetile but enngwe ya dintho tse e tlo re etsa topic enngwe but it's very important gore o ithute motho ao ha o qetile and then e tlo thusa wena gore o tsebe gore o tlo how mo approach jwang
Okay. How so motsebe?
how so mo tsebe o tlo tseba le tsela yo o tshwanetse o mo approach
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
two o tlo tseba le gore okay motho ena se motho a batlang go araba dintho no ha se a quick answer wa bona o tlo na batho ba jwalo o motlela le ka strategy tsa gore baby ke kopa ha ona le nako re tlo bua ka 1 2 3
Okay, that moruti.
o motlela ka strategy
Okay.
because so mmone gore ha se motho ya batlang go jumpa gore ke kopa re bua ba santsa no batho ba jwalo ba bang ha o so fihle sejeng sa go bona gore ke motho ona se motho ya ke motho ka nkarabang hosane wa mo prepare baby ke kopa hosane re tlo bua ka 1 2 3 ka bona le nako ka nako tse di by doing that o ka create that curiosity o yena a ba qeteletse se le yena na re o re bua ka eng tlo re bua ka yona no
Wow.
nna ke lebogile
no itilele le di-levidavi tsa ngwana rona modimo o blesse haholo hle
re lebogile ke lebogile thata
thank you so much
ke modimo
guys jo Dr. November ha re ba thole next ba tshwanang le
Bontate ba rona.
le ke la ba thola pule ale ke le ka se ba thole wa mo prepare okay and then
Hona le o itseng ka e batla o re ntate moruti molekane wa ka o Mathobisa itumeleng a re moruti Novi monna wa ka a re bua moruti yo
a se jalo
ka nako ntse o bua a re monna hae a re bua moruti
yeah
yes
wa tseba ntho mone ke reng but ene kgaletse re tlo bua ka yona re tla bua ka yona ka tsatsi le lengwe ke when re batla change bathong we need to check up re batla change bathong
nna a tshwanang le ntate wa ka ke shapo ka ene ha ke mmatli
ke ne ke re ntho ngwe gape ke batla re tlo bua ka yona ka tsatsi le le ke gore manyalo kapa di-relationshipeng if re ka ra mastera taba ya go tseba gore ha re hlokane ka tsela e tshwanang. Ha re hlokane ka tsela e tshwanang.
Ha re hlokane jwang ka tsela e tshwanang. Ntate Moruti, because
Ka-
I kere
Hona le ya ka hlokang e mong, mare e mong a ba hloka e mong ka ho fetisisa.
yo ako o dule ho yona bikinyana re ntse re na le nako.
Wena di sala lo sala le nna ke shapo ka ntate. Mama Azra, okay. Ke kopa re tle ntabeng ena ya rona. Guys, if ntwana le ke la master ena kopa le nkutlehle le mamela hantle, this thing is tlo di thusa ho. As much as next about ya ho yona but ke kopa re yang ka yona hanya. If we can understand hore as much nka o hloka, but re le monna le mosadi hona le a hlokang e mong ka o fetisa. Yes, Kim Precious. Bana bano
Yes.
My girlfriend, how are you? Mkhotsi ku petetse khale hore ku petetse khale mkhotsi wa ka King Precious. Now, if people can understand that, bomme le bontate, re tlo fokotsa le di expectations tsa rona.
When we can understand rona la hlokang o mo marona la hlokang o mo ho fetisisa.
Yeah.
No ke kopa o re thuse ka yone, because I kere like now re ne re bua ka taba tsa bo boredi le di eng. I think now it will be easy when we understand hore nna ke le seleke ke a hlokang ho fetisisa kapa ke a hlokang.
Okay.
Now le ha o bua hore for you to know hore already for lenyalo this and this you need to have, it will be easy hore re amohele when we understand hore re ba hlokang haholo kapa re ba hlokang fela.
Okay, ona le motho a reng ha re hlokane 50-50.
Le nna ne ke botsa because I kere o mo hloka mosadi o mo hloka monna.
The princess. Okay, talk to the princess like.
Yes.
Wa bona guys, marriage is like mosebetsi. Kapa is like a business. Marriage is like a mosebetsi
Kapa
kapa
business.
a business. Mosebetsi, marriage is only let me make an example ka mosebetsi. Wa bona guys, the company tsana di a di hloka. Mara lona le hloka tsona ho feta tsona.
Ntate Moruti. But di company mo re sebetsang teng da re hloka.
Di a le hloka.
But so re
But
hloka.
lona le hloka di company tsa lona ka ho fetisisa.
Okay. Yeah.
And that is why, because you know hore ke a tseba company ya ka ya nhloka le nna ke a
Ai
hloka,
hloka.
but you don't expect the changes tse ngata from your company because ko wena o hlokang company ya hao. You are the one who need this company more than the company you hlokang ka teng. Now problem ya rona ka ramanyalo re compete le batho ba hore ba hlokang ka ho fetisa. You need this person more than they were. Yeah. Now the problem ke hore now because ntena hore re a compete le batho ba re ba hlokang ka ho fetisa. Batho ba yetsang etsa le rona re expect more ho tswa ho bona. But ke mang ya expect more from the boss ya hae?
Ebile ntho re ka
If
etsa
you mosebetsi re bua ka boss. Between wena le your employer, you boss how ke mang ya hlokang ye mo?
ke nna.
Kwe o hloka boss ya o hloka but wena
Ke hloka boss ya ka haholo. Yes.
because o hloka mosebetsi wa hae ka ho fetisa. Now the problem is hlaha mona e hlaha tabeng ya hore ke mang motho a re no boss ya ka o tshwanetse change, boss ya ka o tshwanetse change dintho. You don't expect a lot of change
From my boss.
from your boss.
I'd rather work on myself to feed my boss. And ra mesebetsing. We will put extra hours. We will do things to feed the boss tsa rona le mesebetsi ya rona. Yo. Ntate Moruti thewa ka yona.
Mamela ntho, utla ntho, Miss Rose, ebale.
a mosadi a ka hloka a provider, but monna wa hao ene a ka hloka a friend or an assistant. Hi, come on, guys. Hi. Yo. Okay, Ntate Moruti. Mar, you have not yet told us, hore, ke man this person a hlokuwang haholo.
Okay.
Eh.
Re divide-wa, re arohanya ke di-role. Role e ke bapalang bophelong ba hao e ka etsa hore o nhloke ka ho fetisisa.
Okay.
Role. Then ho ba le batho bao and this thing e ke tlo buang guys e operate on both sides. Mahlakoreng a mabedi in both sides. Ne. Wa tsaba jwang? E operate tjena. Hona le banna le bona ba hlokang basadi ba bona ka ho fetisisa. Because of the role tse bapalwang ke basadi ba bona maphelo ba bona.
Now ntho ya ho hloka le ho hloka haholo e etswa ke di role.
E etswa ke di role.
Okay.
Le di role le di eng. Because as much o bapala role company ya hao, ma role where into company bapala role e fetang ya hao in your life.
Yes.
Because when all about working to that company, who choose or fepe bana ba hao. The company bapala role, you choose or patale bond, you choose or patale koloi, you choose. Come on, someone the role bapala ke company kapa boss hao. It's the kione hole, and that is why we're now being forced to adjust sometimes to feed
the company
and your boss.
Sure.
I guess we get the sense. Now that is why manyalo a rona sa tshwane a ke tshwana. Hona le banna ba tshwantse ba gore banna ba bang gore ifa ka luza mosadi eno ha luza mosadi fela but luzite an asset. Yes.
Yo, okay. Hey, that good. Okay.
So the problem
because the wife, she's a role player.
She's a role player.
Okay.
You understand?
All right.
So that is why that thing, guys, it will help us. Hore re tlohella ho compete le batho bao re ba hlokang ka ho fetisisa. We need to master unto you guys. We need to master unto you. More relationship in the important role can be a man or a woman, depending how both of you great. What thing?
Agree. Okay. Are more relationshiping, the important role can be a man or a woman, depending how both of you agree.
Hona le mosadi,
hona le
monna. But hona le nako, hona le manyalo a o tlo thola hore ka ra lenyalo leno hantle monna yo ke na hloka mosadi. This man ke na hloka mosadi. This man life ya improvise ke mosadi. There's a direction ka baka la mosadi. There is improvement ka ra bophelo ba monna yona ka baka la mosadi. So that man, that is all banna ba tla bolela hore I cannot afford to lose my wife.
Yes.
Because of the role tsa di bapala. It means that man who kgona bona I need my wife as much she needs me,
but I need her more.
No.
Come on,
then if you happy basadi, hona ba basadi ba tlobelela hore my man changed my life. My man o tshintshile bophelo ba ka. Ke sena ka baka la monna wa ka. O tshintse o bapetse role tse so sa. So it means as much when I as a woman o mo hloka this man, marry.
As much as the man a hloka wena as a wife, but wena o mo hloka more.
Ka fetisisa. So ke tsona dintho tse ke bang ka tsona. Now the problem here is tla mona he ya hore re sokola o masterana taba hore mare ke mang ya hlokang ye mong ka fetisisa. And that thing a se ntho e easy gore batho ba ka ya ho yona straight. Wa tswa yetsa e etsa ka re e mong o ka re tla mo fa credit e ka re tletsa. That is so na le motho bosadi ya tlobelela re monna hona le banna ba basadi ba kgona go appreciate banna go approach go appreciate banna ba bona a bua monna ka since o bile bophelong ba ka
I have achieved 1 to 3
bophelo ba ka eng. So that woman o bolela gore o hloka monna wa hae ka o fitisa as much monna ya mo hloka. So the only time re tlo kgonang gore re se ra computer le batho re expect change gore batho ba sute rona ke mohla re ka ra tsebang gore mang ke mang ke mo hloka ke mang ya hlokang ye mong ka o fitisisa.
Okay.
Then change le ka se expect change e leveleng ye tshwanang ga gona le guys.
Now when you say taba ya ho hloka le ho hloka haholo e determine ke being a role player, can it happen hore le be relationshiping kapa lenyalo e be le hore role player ke motho iwan?
Ya etsa ye motho lore as much a bapala the role mare hona dira a re bua ka dintho.
Because you know why ke botsa dipotso tso hona le mosadi a ka number o shebeletse show o tlo feel hore mare I'm a role player le nna. Do you understand that Moruti? I do 1 2 3 4 5 aba hloleha ho bona tsa monna wa hae. Now that is why ke botsa hore ho ke o etsagale hore batho ba le ka hara relationship role player be ba motho iwan.
No, ha ona hore o ka ba role player o di one. Batho na le story.
Ke batla mo
movie o mo
o na le
story. As much hona le ba bapalang the role movie ngona, but hona le the main character in the main player.
Showing ye re na le host le co-host as much as nka ba teng but steering sa show ke November. Ha re tleng ka yone hantle hape.
That means jwale ha show nyena steering ilon ha itlo change, but wena o ka character ya how in the movie can change, you can be replaced but steering has change.
That is why le batho ba ile ba tloella batho ba ne ba computer le bona ba since a tleletse motho na a be right a kgone ho recover a kgone ho ba right. Because you did not lose as a person, you lose a role player, a steering.
Sure. Me and
my partner re lwela steering ha o kgonahale. Steering se ba iwane movie.
That is why wa bona ba it's like ona jwale why manyalo mangata asa survive. Once le kala kopana le di steering le kana le ka di position le kana le ka provision lenyalo le na le to survive.
Yeah, ke ne ke re katla to my next question. Hore now when really babedi again we are two and now I believe I'm a role player. Luena o believe o role player. Ke into e etsa motho steering. What makes you a steering?
Who compare the role le house of honor mare this person o bapala a huge role. O batla o compare the role. It's like bona jwale. It's like bona jwale seleke nna ke reka koloi for wena. Ke reka koloi. Wena wa nkainela. O bo batla o lekanya dintho tsona di lekane hlabana guys.
And re di counter jwa.
Ha be ne ke le siko nka bophelwa ke ma. Ha be o nne ke etsa nnetsa.
The problem le batla compare the
roles.
Ke go boy Peter hlabana. And that is why that Modimo ana sa ibatle jwalo. From the beginning, guys, that Modimo na sa batlo share the responsibility. Why? Because this responsibility di tlo le be level ya competition ya compete. That is why that Modimo gave Adama 3 theme we are adding, so that Adama must be a provider to the woman.
Go ahead. Ntse o tla ha.
Do you make sense? Now, the problem here now, Ntesa Pamba to today, Nteo share the responsibility, Kiana refund also no.
Okay.
Because of now the responsibilities are already aleka. Automatically, Rebaka share the power. That is why most Yabanna Rebaka share power, because of role Taruna Jalekana.
Re share the
responsibility. Now we share the power. That is why we call it change. I get baby change on 18 November. We share power no. And that is why my nyala mangatas of surviving.
Okay. And then Ntate Moruti hona le ntata tla shebella mo. A ba re yene ke sterile. Ne? Auto consider as steering because I feel like I'm a provider. Now, provision ki grocery le chelete fel. Kapa handle provision out a man must provide. What is this thing that a man must provide?
Dingata holo ke baraskera yo tsona di tlang kwana kwana di ka change topic.
Okay.
Dingata holo because ha re bua ka provision re bua ka your presence, your being a problem solver, being a solution, protection to your family. Provision, provide provide a legal presence. Provide a charity for provide but to tell you about who guys, if ona le di qualification o rutile o fika apply o sebetsa company ya Eskom ona le boss o sebetsa company ya a get we mang ne why o sa share the power le boss wa because you don't share power le boss wa that is so honang who submit to your boss because I share power.
Okay. The way I understand who is more powerful than me, then I submit easily. Because now I understand he has more powers who fit than me.
And you know why? Who submit? Because keep also get out from challenge. Who submit
Give you role.
Give you role that you know, boss and because one battle
1, 2, 3, 4.
So automatically, that is why Hona Musadi.
Tabe fela gore ba fele go betsa banne ba bone ko hore they ba nka mosebetsi ba share the responsibility and they compare.
How about to share the responsibility? That is why basadi ba bohlali ke bona fela ba master anteng o gona ho share the responsibility but about to keep a position ya high o bosna I go bali pit
e batla a very wisdom engwe makasang because
now King Precious Ntate Moruti o ske supporta yo what you have just said
ke go ba ke pit hona le basadi ba gonang ho share the responsibility wa gona o thusa ka lapeng o reka grocery monna a pataleng ba share the responsibility but aba gona o mastera submission a mastera a position ya high. She knows ke musadi. It doesn't matter I'm able to buy a grocery. Una ba sa di ba gona go patala dikoloi o thole re monna ya gona patala koloi ke ena gona go patala koloi but that thing ha mo yetse gore a share matla le monna hae
wow
because njore shapa ke yona eng but that is why ke batla go continue na re bontate le bomme if we can understand gore le fatse le ntate mdimo ha re etsa re lekane because tate modimo knew ha ne re ka ra lekana ha ona ya tlo bang submit a tlo submita
Yeah.
boemo. And that is why tate modimo a yentseng bonnete ba hore ho ba le ba kgonang so that bana ba sa kgoneng ba kgone ho kgona ka baka la bana, so that bana ba sa kgoneng ba tsebe ho submita ho bana ba kgonang. It's a principle ya lefatshe. That is why le ba runang the business ba hloka di client ka ho fetisisa. If you are running a business, as much client you hloka, but as a businesswoman kapa businessman, you need those clients ka ho fetisisa, because if those clients they don't come to your business, you don't have a business. So I really can, guys.
Hey.
Mesebetsing le manyalo, if ne re ka ra master ntho eo ka ra manyalo ne re ke ra nna ra lwana le batho. Guys, ke ne ke sebetsa Free State TV ntse le teng, but no ke phutulwa TV. Ke ne ke sebetsa Free State TV, ke ne ke le boss, I mean ke boss in my church, ke bosso staff,
Ona le staff so spatala,
ke na le eng. But ha ke fitla hantate Polo ene ke mo sebeletsa, ne ke tseba hore I'm no more a boss. I'm not my boss. I don't compete in that Polo.
Wow,
I don't argue in that Polo because makaruna hatswani. I cannot compete le monna ena. So bothata ba banna le basadi ba tsebe ho sheba sometimes o remember I need this man, as much this man I'm stronger, but nna I need this man. Le banna ba bang ha ba kgone understand about I need this woman, as much ke mo e unshoka, but nna ke mo hloka ka ho fetisa ha re kgone master nteng. And that is why today re failure now. But nna I've learned that I was a boss, and ke ntse ke le boss ke re kenyaka, and ke re kenyaka nna ke a lwana, guys, if dintho di sa tsamaya hantle. Mara ke fihla ntate Paul I submit because I know or now the rank di sa lekana le di position di sa lekana ntate Paul.
Wow.
Sure.
Wow.
Yeah, no.
Oh. Yo.
Now if the rank di sa lekana, automatically I cannot expect that Paul change change e tshwanang. Ai ya le nkutlo. I cannot expect motho ya rank e hodimo hore change ya rona e tshwane. But nna ke hloka yena.
Rather when no change to feed him.
To feed him. O feed him. And I get about the non to the luncheon, the come somewhere. But I cannot really expect the change is one. How
Gona lo ga hare ha ke rate wa thutwe e mare le wena ha ke rate eng.
And the manyalo e etsa ntho go fela ona ha survive. Go fail. I survive. I survive.
Sure.
Guys, ke go par khutleleng Bible. Ntate modimo. Ha re etse mohlala re qetile. Le hodimong modimo ke steering. Jesu o submita ho ntate modimo, moyo halang o submita morena Jesu ha ba lekane.
Order.
Silence in the room.
Sure.
Order ha ba lekane. The day Satan la batla ho lekana le modimo, modimo ra ha re tlo kgona ho phela together. Are share are divorce.
There's no way we can compete.
The day Satan na batla ho compete le modimo a batla ho share batla ntate modimo ra are divorce. Ke ntate modimo a kenya divorce between yena le an angel ya hae golo, because angel ya ene batla ho share batla le ntate modimo. We are doing that karamanyalo rona. You can't even see this person. I just saw Manyalo, Nix are only master until and that is why we can't stay together. Because
Yo, Tate Moruti. Oh, this is deep. Refilo are 100% well said. You just opened my eyes from being a business owner.
Yeah.
Hey, Miss Rose are basadi. We master Labor Act, but disrespect marriage laws of submission. And that's true. We respect mesebetsi ya rona, but when it comes to manyalo, we disrespect.
And if we can keep the same principle,
Yeah.
we could be far.
Yo. And then King Precious, yena, Ari, I will always give my men a chance to be a steering, abari a leader. I cannot be a steering linyalo. Wow, that's powerful, King Precious. Wow. And then Cortez are God's child to God's child. Give us tips on how to get an interview after 100 CVs sent. No, okay. Inana, that one, no. Honali Precious, King Precious are. I will always give my men a chance to be a steering, abari a leader. I cannot be a steering linyalo.
Guys, ke kopa re ba le ntemana ile ngwe fela be re kwala mtlo kwala. Genesis chapter 1. Genesis chapter 1. Jwale re lata lentsweng Genesis chapter 1. Verse number 26. Let's get about le ke tswa Bible le tshaba le ka theo le ka nyamela no Bible le tshaba. Genesis chapter 1 verse 26. Ke kopa re ba le ka English.
Okay. Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 says, God said, now we will make humans, and they will be like us. We will let them rule the fish, the birds, and all other living creatures. Abua ka di humans.
Are ibike.
Are. Ndate Modimo ore, God said, now we will make humans, and they will be like us. We will let them rule the fish, the birds, and all other creatures.
They will rule. Unasa bika musadi. As translation in le laule. They must have a dominion.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yes.
They will have what?
Dominion.
Okay. And then now when Mudimana Buaka dominion is woman.
If we're
Mun, because when Obala Genesis chapter 1, Munna Nalisiko, Mosadu Nalisiko, Mosadu Shakusha chapter 2.
yes.
Dominion ikyaban.
Dominion Ikaban. That is why each and every man, how Mobana, one who challenges Munna Bahai.
Regardless of na kilitawa le jwang.
Ya utotela bero kwa la ngwana rona soma.
Sure.
Ntate moruti ha ntho a tlile hlo.
Nguguleleng hore monna will have a dominion of the mosadi wa hae.
Okay.
Monna o tla laola.
Mosadi wa hae.
Monna mosadi wa hae kapa mosadi o tla laola ke monna.
Who is having a dominion between men and a woman? So that means yes. Who has a dominion between a man and
according to the Bible.
According.
Skala. Bile ba banga le na basadi le na le banna le ke le thuli le dule.
Iri, according to the Bible, the concept dominion or authority between a man and a woman in marriage is described as part of the consequences of the fall in Genesis 3 verse 16, where it stated that the husband shall rule over the husband. The wife will rule over the wife, ne? However, this rule is heavily context dependent in Christian theology. That is why ring according to the Bible.
Kiana muthu we ends. Mbale Genesis chapter 3 verse 16. Thank you wena murato wa ka kima Saira. Chapter ibale 3:16.
3:16. Then the Lord said to the woman, you will suffer terribly when you give birth, but you will still desire your husband and he will rule over you. Yo.
He will rule over you.
The Lord said to the woman, you will suffer terribly when you give birth.
And
We are suffering. And then, but you will still desire your husband. And he will rule over you still.
Banna, it's in their nature to rule. Luna, belibata o shera power le motho ya ifuwe officially ke modimo.
Ba tsolo bana leo.
Ba ifuwe ke modimo official.
Sure.
That is why basadi le tlo ba miserable fihlella le ba difebeleng. Who made over the Hurjar of the Devon July? Leba change banna o ba leo yena o re yena ba tla controller o ye ho yena au control o ba le ya o hlokomelang o bo mathela o ya lapile mara ba o controller still ala pilo kila bona o controller tine DVD asina la listen
Daddy Popeye.
Adi Popeye ya le sinyana ko bana beso. That is the principle entertainment, and to show that this is the principle. Ntwanta temo di ba ibile ya re lona le tla safara.
Yeah.
Kae?
Labor. Yes.
Ale safara.
We are.
Now why le sa change yona? Mara le batla o change yena ya o rula. Why le sa change? Ene ke yona le safarisa yena di pay ya labor. Why le sa change?
Ha re go.
Ano go. Why le sa go le change?
Because ke ntho leng re bewe ke
Ibo wa ke ntate modimo. Patale qetile be le batla o change.
But I'll change the other one. E beileng still.
That is why
Your commanded
mosadi e mong le mong ya batlang ba miserable lenyalo la hae ha nna a jele monna wa hae. Because you are challenging this man. That is why ntho ya o rule ha banna o hana ali useless batho ba tla o rule. O batla dominion, o batla control. That is why willing wrong or as a woman o nyalana le motho ya useless yo sa tlo mo gona. Who respect. Because even if Ali useless, yena nature ya hae e tlo mmatla hore a rule. And lona le banka ba le useless ha o qetile bo hlanya hore monna ka batla ke mo respect. Ali so o batla un control ali so. Once you mo choose, you need to be ready and you need to know on this person nature ya hae yo modimo mo yentseng ka yona ke re tlo rule. O tla batla o control a sa gone le o provide. O tla batla o control.
And jwale ka madimabe, the Bible also states that we are supposed to be submissive. As long as you dumetse motho o rebe monna hao,
have to submit.
you have to, because it's what the Bible says. You will submit la be le tawa because you dumetse monna na hore abe ruler. The minute you are agreeing, that means you will submit under any circumstances.
O accept lo rule.
You accept.
When you choose a monna, you choose a motho is going to rule your life. And you're not going to change it. Mama namba mak banna ba o le ka gona go ba control la lo yetsa ntho le nngwe ke bana ba di plastic bana ba dubang ha ba ba mnat o ka mo rule wa ba rule bana ba dubang ba
Ntate Moruti.
ba be ba matle ke ba
Because aba buile o bua bao.
o gona mo be o di ba o re bua dula o mo gona o ke ka drawer wa dula o gona o montsha a sa qeta
Yo, I call. Yo.
That is why basadi le santse le tlo ba miserable. That is why number one, you need to choose right. Choose somebody who to
Yeah,
respect. And you peteng.
Good.
Basadi ba bangata. Until tlo le shapang E1. Hape ke o hloka strategy.
Strategy sa yetsa.
O kile ke maikilanga ya zoo pela ditau. Instruction ya tau kura ha o fihla pela tau ska ba etsang.
Ntse wa rasa.
O ska wa rasa, o ska etsang.
Yeah, don't do something that will provoke the lioness.
Why? Why ba tshwa?
Because
Motho
it
wa le
will
motho
lie.
botsuwa ke.
Why o fua mogwa wa approach ga o atumela pela yona re iska ba
Even when you touch it, you must touch it like this.
why ba le fa mogwa?
Because so that o kgone ho kgone ba izakere ha se
E
provoke.
bolela hore tawina le masaita mabedi. Ina le good side the dangerous side. Mari dependa wena as a person we
Yo.
provoke.
Yo.
Wow.
We lataka.
The approach.
Hey.
Ke le tloela ka rakwa.
The approach to taung in
Tau.
jwang. O fihle taung
Okay.
wa etsa eng.
Eh.
Because tawina na masaita mabedi.
Hona le motho ka ya mo aba khona e fa dijo.
Yeah.
And then o mong ha ya tumela e be moja. Se like approach.
It's like approach. That is why you find instruction.
Hi, come on, that we are on another level.
It depends on the approach about to one. Now here's the thing. The only person who knew who did the approach of one is Delilah.
Sure.
Se febesane se bitswang Delilah and it today but one must aramba na ki di febe. It's in the wife. The wife is the
Ba ya ba dutse le bone ba frustrated, you know. Kanda tumo go I got man. O re Delilah o khone ho approach ta
You know why
o strategy.
You know why you can move this way?
Why?
Because pelu ya high. I mean, una rata le ba flista a please ba flista.
Le relationshiping una se in for the good cause.
Yeah, but that is kara mita di febe re mo pelle.
Ne ngwana ba.
Re mo bitse ngwana batho. Delilah, Samson was a dangerous man.
Yo, ntate
Mary,
mo-
he was not dangerous to Delilah. Because the approach ya Delilah,
Eh,
e kgone go kokometsa bolion. Hale sangutse jana swel.
Hey!
Delilah, I mean, Samson was a giant, he was a lion. That is why by Philistine, there was no man
Aka mo kgonang.
kgona Samson. Mari, until Samson and Leona, Delilah haka mo lata amo approach on that side. That is why Samson became something else with Delilah. Why? Because Delilah mo latile ka tsela yong. O mo latile le side in le leng. Bana baluna basadi ba nyetsweng ntele ele shapam ha ke tse why basadi ba bangata bana hana hore once o monyala automatically se le shara power di febeleng ke tsona tse survivor because o tla qaka monna o tla bua le yena monna ha o ka tsele makatsa a be humble monna ba tloteletsa mfile karta
Yeah.
wena butsi ka karta ya di points ya clicks na le basadi ba tsama ka dikarta tsa di clicks nyatsi ya monna na tsama ka khati ya banka wena tsama ka khati ya clicks ya di points ya discount
Maleke, re ska tsamaya ka dikhati tsa di-points.
Ntate mo go e deep.
until
Yeah.
le understand. That is why hona le monna yo tla reng a ha o ka wa mo approach ka tsile wrong a le sa hlola le bua to ba o ditla dilas
Very true. ntate
Samson
Moruti.
ona na le two sides and Delilah ke na tsbileng fela gore Samson ona le two sides mara batho bohle bana ba lata Samson ba mo approach ka side le na la bo giant ha ba wina but Fista ba winner all of them
Nix.
ha ba win until some they really are no nna ke molata site le ke a tseba rona le site leo a leng soft lona leo lona le sa le sebedi each and every man that is why banna bana ka ofela ba o le ba bitseng di fariki wa motloella o nyetse jwang ba nyetse jwang banna bana ba ne ntse le re ha ona motho ka dulang le wena ba nyetse jwang banna bana ba o le leng le bona ile ditau ba nyetse jwang I can be something else ha ke fika to somebody o latela seo a leng sona ho nna
Sure.
le nna personal ke na le side tse pedi personal I've got two sides
Sure.
le nna personal ke na le two sides ne ke bolela motho ke re motho a re jo o bohale ke re ka lo botsa ex tse ding tsa ka di tla o bolela di ra itse ntho o buang ka ke bua pela nka te bodimo ke bua pela mo yona hona le ex tsa ka tse sa tsebeng site le le
La bohale.
la ka next maruna le ex tsa di tse tsebang hore ntho ena e taxi driver ke nka buruti ke nka baibele ke kwaletse ho nyulwe Samsung
Bo taxi
ho
drive.
nyulwe bo taxi driver nna ke na le o sa re kutlwa underpene ya ka e le loso mo ke sellwang ke na le utlwa kutlwa underpene ya ka e kgwehla mo ke sellwang kutlwa underpene ya ka e kgwehla kutlwa e le loose ha bone ke le ka lo reka tse ding ke o sellwa
Now ntate Moruti.
wa qetile ke sa se petega now here is the thing be le polaya ka ntho e one lona basadi team ba dutse lifeng be le polaya ka banna ba nang le power ba sa le batle banna ba useless le batla banna ba etsang jwang
Manang le power. We are speechless, Papa.
le batla banna ba nang le power ska mmatla when o tseba hore you are not good ka submission
Sure.
ska mmatla or I sebedise ka power because ke ntho hai if wena o nahana hore you are not going to be submissive to that man ana le power o nahana o tlo etsa o nahana if ke na le sethunya ditsotsi di hlamo ke na le sethunya ba batho ke tlo sebedisa ka sethunya seo ke tlo sebedisa ntho e nyana e kotsi for nna because ke na le yona if ke na le sethunya o na le motho ntho e hlahang ke na le sethunya sa ka ke tlo sebedisa kae
Tsona
ntho e nyane.
ditsotsing.
So le rona most ya rona basadi ba ratang banna ba nang le power ene le ba batla hle but ha le qetile le ba batla jwalo le se good to submit under that power ha le qetile le batla ho share power eo le bona and that is why le leng miserable batla ho share power le motho a ifuweng wena o tla o sena le yona
Sure.
ene la rat jo nna ke batla monna tlo nhlokomelang ke batla monna ya monna ya nang le ya tlo nhlokomelang monna monna etseng every man who's responsible some batho ba nang le ditjhelete batho ba you will never have money o sena power you will never be successful o le monna o sena power. Once you battle a successful man, you must know that you battle power. Because even money gives you a power. You have power. Even money, if I'm not power. So once you battle in yellow, you battle munana, ya na le matter. So you battle masculate man.
Emasculate.
A masculine man. Emasculate. Masculine never never. Uta khona ya di tip. Little one, but good if by Tabana by masculine, but Tabana by the Potoban, Balabama vision active. But if you batter the real men, Sokomelan, Yanan, most of them ban the power and let charity for Baby power. That is why most ya banna ba jwalo ho nkwa ho thwe ba arrogant.
Yeah.
Why ho thwe ba arrogant? Because most of the time ba qeki ba kgathala ba etseng.
Yes.
Ba exercise power ya bona neng kapa neng batho
Ha buile o qetile.
ha buile o qetile. So bana ba se lona ba batla manyalo ke a le thusa le lona ba ka ra manyalo shaba hore ka ra lenyalo la motho jwang. If ka ra lenyalo la an ordinary person you will survive. But a re tsebeng hore banna ba fuwe dominion hodima basadi and mohlang o ka tseba hore you will never like nna ha hona mosadi la ka ba o na le kukwe monate la ka ba o motle la ka ba o nlisa ka English la ka anlisa kala ka ho heletsa hore ba go tlokokota is everything okay?
Okay, tate.
Nna a ona mhlari tlo shara mphawa le mosadi a kgona ai next I tlo kgona.
Okay. Mari, what ke strategy se feng se leng hore basadi ba ka se sebedisa to get this soft side from a man?
A man of approach.
Manner of approach.
Yeah, ya pele fela ko understand hore motho le nna le ena re lekana.
Okay.
Ya pele fela the first thing understand hore wena le motho na le etseng
Ha re lekane.
lekana. Master ra yeng fela ya re fela na le motho na re lekana. Ke ya pele ha le kana master ra eno le tlo iqeta. Ya bobedi ya bobedi keng ke hore fela master sometimes exercise boikokobetso because kana go tseding a re hlale le na le bona bo exercise bo practice so that mohlang o bo implementang o ske wa ikutlwa e ka re wa hatelwa
E ska ipona le sono.
o ske wa feel e ka re wa hatelwa wa bona when into submission into how when we implement you don't feel pain because this is your thing into how it's your thing.
Ntate Moruti. A o iqete. Hey.
Now ha re kwale ka nthwena ya o qetela hore guys as much re batla banna le basadi re na le di expectation marriage ka bona o na le di expectation beside the expectation tse ba tswang ke rona batho ko batla se ena ke lenyalo ena ke monna ena ke mosadi most it's hard to know ro
Ke sorry.
ena ke
lenyalo,
ena ke
monna,
Ena
ena
ke-
ke mosadi.
most ya rona re beya lenyalo aside be re ba le di-expectation monna o na le di-expectation ho mosadi
Mosadi.
le mosadi o na le di-expectation ho wena
Monne, yes.
ke mistake e kgolo le downfall ya rona ke a kwana ke mistake e kgolo le downfall ya rona
Ai o tla ka engwe. Jwang
ke monna
ke mosadi, yes.
ke lenyalo
Uh-huh.
most of us basadi ha le batla lenyalo o rwala di-expectation tjena nna ke batla monna a tlo nhlokomelang ke batla monna ya nketsang tjena difilimi tse tsona di tsenda ena
Assurance.
eke le banna ka nqena le bona ba rwana tsa bona di-expectation le nna ke batla mosadi ya tlo etsang tjena tse tsona forgetting guys hore marriage o na le di-expectation tsa teng le di-requirement tsa teng beside lona ne ke rata hore ho my ex e nngwe ya ka tjena e ne ke nyalane le yona ne ke rata hore ho yana ke re wa tseba ke and most ya batho ba so most bana ba selfish bana le di-expectation bana le di-expectation bana
Yes.
ba selfish ha ona di khamorso tse tshwana le bana monna o
Le mosadi.
le mosadi ke di khamorso di totgoitse like this uthi
Are wow, I never enjoyed life like this one.
Usifundisile.
Usifundisi.
oh thank you so much
Thank you, Nomsa.
now here's the thing most ya batho bana ke di khamorso bana that is why rena le banna ba batlang dintho for bona expectations tsa bona ke tse sweetang bona basadi ba bangata di expectations tsa bona ke tse sweetang yena le monna ba tla di expectations ba neglecta lenyalo and that is why most about ba neglecta lenyalo ba gona go phela individual life ka ra lenyalo because o batla dintho tse sweetang wena
Yeah.
le yena o batla dintho tse sweetang yena.
And nobody's there ka gore na lenyalo maglona le batla eng.
Nna ke rata go jwetsa ex engwe ya ka ke re ho yana sheba everything e ke buang is going to benefit the marriage. I don't want anything that benefit me. I keep batle nese for nna because now I've been alone for nako e telele ke ikgotsofaditse ka se kopa le nkutlo once o nyalwa kapa o nyala you need to unyalo o qetile o khotsofatsa wena because now how fihla lenyalo ha isa hlola ile ka wena. It's all about the marriage.
Come on, Tate Moruti. How santse le single no khotsofala? Khotsofala straight.
Fula, khulula. If o rata o tsamaya ka mo le mapona le beile di bono ka ntle, tsula, you are alone, o mong.
Yeah.
If o ntate o rata o tawa ngila, tawan, do everything. Favor, but the time we commit, now you must remember now, it's no more about you. As a man, it's no more about you.
As a woman.
As a woman, it's about marriage. Now, most about to Baba, the selfish people, the hamorso sex has been the kene jwa manyalong, the satan is all the treva tsene chance be people we ka retex about to bula. Ke banga ba kena ntshe. Ha qetile. Still o ntsa batla o tsola. Because it's all about it. Ntse le ka yena.
Okay.
Ntse le ka.
Hey.
Ntse le ka.
Ka yena.
Ntse le ka yena. Yena tsa batla o tsamaya lo tawa ke ntateng batla o tawa because ntse le
ka yena.
Yena batla o tsamaya le di girls because ntse le
ka yena.
Le yena tsamaya le di boys because ntse le ka
yena. Ha. Yo Ntate Moruti. Yo.
But if we can understand hore re qeta ho nyalana ha se le bona everything is about the marriage. That is why when you do whatever you will do something that benefits the marriage. If I do something, let me do something that benefits the marriage. Now here's the thing. Kipetile kya di last year.
Ntate Moruti.
Kya di last.
Sure.
Kya di last.
Sure.
Now, the problem really is about divorce Can I go deeper?
Go deep.
Can I go deeper?
Go deep. Deep.
Can I go deeper?
Deep.
You know why but balashana? And when it's not just the marriage only, it's also it's a relationship. Agree? It's you and me in the relationship. We cannot neglect the relationship.
Yes.
If killing Nyalo, we cannot neglect
Nyalo.
Now here's the thing is about Balashana. Slike, Swa, Kwene, Kinay, Ne, relationship, Kapa Kilinya, Arke Uno. Rokopan Sekin.
Killing
re kopantshitswe ke lenyalo
re kopantse keng
lenyalo
ha le ke la ba siko re tlo kopanya keng
mix
if marriage can collapse re tlo kopanya keng ke ye tlo ikipa le wena because ke kopantse ke lenyalo le wena how are you gonna
Sure.
yo
No, I'm
ha re qale
then that is why now, because how someone tell re kopanyana
Kopantse.
jwale re a lahlana.
Sheba, re kopantshwa ke lenyalo
Lenyalo.
ke tla ho wena because of lenyalo ke dula le wena because of lenyalo ke etsa white wedding because of lenyalo re kopantshwa ke lenyalo now re kopantshwa now when o neglecta lenyalo o neglecta ntho e re kopantshitseng and once this thing e fedile go sena lenyalo o tsho re nna le wena go fedile pakeng tsa ka le wena ha lenyalo le fela ho fela re aroana na le wena ha relationship e fela na le wena re tlo aroana the only thing e tlo etsalang ke re tlo separate na le wena because ntho ne re kopantshitse e fedile can I make an example a practical example
yes
batho ba theoela le kopanywa ke eng di-colleague le kopanywa ke eng
ke mosebetsi
ha mosebetsi fela le tlo kopana kae
Ha re hlapetse ra kopana.
ha o te company e kwetse le tlo kopanywa ke eng
No way.
mix
tomorrow all the colleagues di tlo kopanya ke mosebetsi when ho te company e kwetswe ha e saliyo ke le tla be le tswela le lo etsa mang le lo kopanela mang it is the same thing re kopanyang ke lenyalo now the problem e ngata e etsalang manyalo batho ba neglecta lenyalo le a ba kgatha lenyalo because motho is o focus ho yena monna no focus ho yena
mosadi
o
wa
mosadi
le
o focus ho yena
le
ke qetile nna bomme le bontate
ntate moruti yo
that is why once o ka kopana le monna ya lwanelang go tsamaya le bakgotsi ba every weekend o tsebe ke satane ntho if o ka kopana le mosadi ya galang ya dula ka tsamaile le bakgotsi ba every time every week o tsebe ke satane ntho once o kopana le motho ya batlang go phelela yena mara le ka ra lenyalo ke satane like ke ne ke etsa example le ka moteno le ka botawa once ke commita a ke sa phelela nna se ke phelela le partner ya ka mantswe a mang le wena that is why like it in o tshwantse wena dintho tse ding partner ra ka sa di rate ke di tlohele
Yeah.
ha ke sa tenela nna le metsamayo ya ka tshwantse ke change ha ke sa phelela nna
ntate moruti G Lady Royalty are this is the best show of the night big up yo
and ke tlo le jwetsa lenyalo ha le na bothata nix ha ona nix but bothata ke gore fela ho ya batho ba ntseng ba batla ho phelela bona you still want to do things that suits you tse fitang wena tse enjoywang ke wena tsa that is why le tlo dulang le na le mathata le dula le difaro that is why le di hobby tsa lona di tshwane because e mong le mongwe o iphelela bophelo ba ye le one le lifestyle ya lona ha e tshwane le dintho tseo le di ratang ha di tshwane because o kopane batho ba babedi ba neng ba sa tshwanela ho kopana ke nke le jwetse le lahlaneng ka difandaga le lahlane wa bona ke la fapana ka ntho nngwe le nngwe le tsebe o dutse inkatha le ANC ka rantlo o dutse inkatha le ANC ni moshi ixesha di-hobby ha di tshwane ha ona nix le kopanyang ha le tsamaye kereke e le nngwe ha le tsamaye le kereke mongwe tsamaya kereke mongwe a tsamaye kereke kore it's a mess a contoni vana ngayo ha ona le ntho e le kopanyang ha ona le ntho e le kgonang go dula fatshe le qoqe ka yona le fapane all together lona he le ditonki tsa kgale tsa di-SL of the donkey bag tse tshwantseng di lahlang tshwantseng le lahlaneng ba bang yana le potso a mpotse qetile nna Zenziland Race November nna nkabe ke sa divorce nna Zenziland Race November nkabe ke sa divorce I used to say to my ex-wife Kirbom sit down and check all the concern and the plan and the aim o di shebe gore di molemong wa ka kapa di molemong wa lenyalo na.
Yo.
And if you don't understand your man of your woman or ha bua o bua a focusitse lenyalo la lona a protect lenyalo kapa strengthen lenyalo o tlo mo misunderstand, because you need to check gore motho ona ha are ke se ka etsa tsena ntho na buang e tlo benefita eng ha motho are e tlo benefita lona kapa eng. Then it's a problem when motho batla dintho tse benefiting yena. But if motho au advice kapa au a bua le wena ka dintho tse strengthening lenyalo, you need to support that man, you need to support that woman, because the wishes tsa hae ha se tsa hae ke tsa lenyalo, the advice tsa hae ke tsa lenyalo. Nna ne ke rata go jotsa my ex-wife ke re yana wa tsaba ke if you look about dule fatsho mamelo ra ke bua kere I don't say anything for nna, I don't want anything for nna, I want the best for this marriage,
for the marriage.
All my advices, all my plan is for the marriage.
Wow. Oh, thank you.
Corey, you've been doing things for you. That is why every time when you fight, now sometimes benefit amantu. Na sometimes kitine the way ki batlang te benefit amantu. Now sometimes if kinali state lo dula ba khotsbaka if kilo roba le tsa ba khotsbaka rena a trip le ba khotsbaka e benefit man wena mosado ka sometimes nna kilo no le ba jwala ba le ba khotsbaka jwala bona bo benefit man wena. What about the marriage? What about the real thing elokopantse? Aringa ba wa bedir kwa.
Sure.
Are you ready for lenyalo?
Ai. No le na kutu. Yo, Ai kutu. Kutu le sham. Kutu.
So, how do you know that you're ready for lenyalo? Mohlang leke la tloang la batlo lo phelela lona ka ramanyalo o bile le chance ya o phelela wena o le one. Thanks Muruti.
I'm gonna share this info with my married kids, son and daughter. That means mama shebeletse then o tlo bitsa bana ba hae ba nyetseng ba bang ba nyetswe a tlo share information
Ke
tsa mo yetse.
se ke prophet ke Muruti. Ke Muruti. Ulo share le bana ba. Now, here's the thing. Solanka who's willing to change, lo mamela motho. O santsona le dintho tso batlang, tso seng ready o arwana le tsona, you're not ready for lenyalo. Ke go ba le mamelang lona mamenemeneting. Solanka o se ready to change, lo mamela your partner. Ka dintho tse wa sa di rateng ka wena. Ka pa tsa sa di rateng ha o di etsa. You are not ready. You are not ready. You are not ready. When as long as you are so willing to change, you are not ready. Are you ready, Barnabas? Are you ready? And so long, you are making a wrong decision to commit, because uno otawa ufeba utula uyetsa only one ububata partner, but then how to kill ubata to etsa dintho tseo. It means ubata to phela individual life, individual life. You want to be independent in the marriage. If ubata utsola, because basadi ba bangata le utsola mona lona bonta tele atawa le tsamale ba khotsi ba lona le batla o yetsa dintho tse neng tse le di etsa o le one. So the question go batlang ka ra lenyalo o batlang, if there are things, guys, I read an example ka pholoso morana Jesu ha ne re pholoswa, there are things morana Jesu a re tlwedisang tsona, and if you're not ready to be a child of God. And I respect because I want to live my life. Ki respect about my job. But ki na le problem ka batho ba reng motho ba pholoso ba tla tletse ba batla phela life ya e ka ra pholoso. It is the same way ka ra manyalo re batla o ba individual o batla phela your own life. You want to control yourself. You want to do things the way you want. You batla o tsamaya the way o batlang ka teng o batla o apara the way o apara. That is why le ha monna wa a ra ke rate tight wa itlohella. If what's about rata di tight haholo ska tina ska nyalwa. If monna ha wa ra ke rate botawa kwela jwala ausi. If rata jwala tawa, if musadi wao a re kwela bojwala le monna bo tlohelle. If ha wa tseba hore wena o tlo batla o tawa suthata ska la nyala. If what's about into tseo because ke a tseba rena banna re tabanya re lwana le basadi ka tsona ntho tseo di tight metino le nna gale ke ba tlodisa metino ke ra ke na mosadi tla ba hlaise di rupi ka ntle. Number 2 gale kgalemela motho ke ra ntho tight ene hlaisa kuku be kuku ka ntle. And if you feel hore ha go kgalemela o tlo feel hore ke o irritate ke o decide
toxic
ska ha ska ranyala. Lenna as a man, there are things that something go mamela also. And if as a man, kisi willing o mamel, Lenna, I'm just committing myself for nonsense. Ke go frustrate. Runa ke tseba re ke bo febe banna and then lebo tawa lo tsama le ba gotsi ba runa banna ba lwanela dintho tseo runa bothata ba lona ka basadi re lwanela o bua ha lona haholo ni theta ka khulu le ba tla challenger into power ya runa le batla o share power le runa ha le qetile be le batla o phela mthele motho ba tlo apara the way a batlang ka teng batla o tsola o batla o aparela batla bana ba bone di rupi batla bana ba bone di bono o batla bana ba bone le pona le la hao o etsa display ntshebe na ba sa ba tsa ba bile di kukutse ki display and monna hare babe, I don't like that. Mutabafila, you are control freak of the
I am defeated.
Skala come. Marlinyalo na liting and eliminate for Batwa Mamela. People who are willing to submit, people who are willing to listen to each other. But one willing Mamela, and that's all. Kigetila Baba bed, Baba Tango, Umpot, Kapaba Tangu. I want to cut it to my.
Okay, Lioness, all know Unanaki Mutar, I'm not Muruti, just a single mother of 2 married kids.
Oh, okay. No, thank you so much. Baby mama ya kana rata utena dinto. Kidi leggings. Karon sak. Agruba tanja. Kuku yonto display here. Yonto bonsa banna. Kene tla tsang Helen next ke ka khala ko bona jola ka mosadi ko bona jola ka letikas.
Mo aparo o ka re tlosa leveleng ya go ompone jalo ka mosadi ho ompone jalo ka letikas. Nje fela mo aparo fela. Okay, tla be ke fila ke le motle nna.
A tlo go etsa mohlala. Ha nka to apara mesi. Batho bana ba mpona jola ka.
Ka gay.
Why?
Dress code.
Okay. Dress code can give you, can name you. Can go for title.
That is why Mutu Baba Rata Bare you are parent jolo ka lekgot. Yes, because what's about a batho ba aparang jalo chu banna le lona ha le na nnete cause o re mosadi a se ka tena so but o balo tsamaya le mate
le ba tinneng tsona tseo
se tlo go jwetsa banna ba operate jwang banna re sebetsa tsena ngwanaka koloi yaka nda se drive jole ka koloi ya company car koloi yaka ke dikoloi di le pedi
Yes.
ke dikoloi di le pedi mare yaka nka se drive jwale ka company car ke 4 ke tla driver fela ke
O e diele
Because
dikoloto.
ha se ya-
company car ha se yaka mare yaka
Sure.
so
Ebe ha hona le
le
teng
lona
tse
basadi ho rona ha re le sheba le tshwana le di-company car ho na le mosadi eo reng ha o mo sheba re yena ke company car and company car wa tswa e tswang e ka lamuwa ke mang kapa mang ha e ownwe ke any driver driver e nngwe le nngwe ya company ya driver because this is a company car
Sure.
and ha hona motho a hlokomelang company car ka
Ayo.
matla
Hayi. Ayo.
Mfundisi, you took us to the river now. It's what?
It's up to us.
whether we drink or not.
No.
Can it?
Ay, hamba mruti man. Volume.
So,
Tampanari, please add me.
So, lona le batla batho bana ba le bonang jwale ka difebe. And ke bona because your dress code e ka o fa
A
Title.
a title. Now nna ke batla o bona a wife. Then wena o behave jwale ka sefebe. Then o expectile hore nna ko nyala.
O apara jwalo ka.
Mara apara jwale ka ditekasi. No.
Okay.
No, $1 million. I'll take them in James. Invite me, I will come. Invite my brother. Invite me, I will come.
Sure.
So lona le batla o treatwa jwalo ka di-company car. And most of the company car hona mo di belong a teng, ha di belong yo mang kapa mang. Any driver ya company, as long hona le batho ba sebetsang company eo, ba tlo e driver koloi eo because ha se ya bona. And e mong le mong wa e driver, and e mong le mong hana e say because ha se koloi ya hae. And once monna a o rata, o ba le dintho tsa batlang ho di tjhentjha ka wena.
Sure. I'm impressed.
I'm impressed. You say things most men are afraid
to talk about. Good lecture. You nailed it, especially dress code. I broke with my ex because of it, Dr. Novi.
Wa bona ke yona motho a e bua. E mong a re I'm defeated.
Hi, today.
Today, what also the wife and the husband, different dafa.
Nna ke le feel guys, hore o ipone ready for lenyalo is when o le ready for change, o le ready for mamela motho ao, o le ready for yes. Ha o tatela basadi, tsebang hore banna ba fuwe matla hodima lona. That is why you need to choose the right person. You tlo kgona ho mo respect.
Sure.
Pastor ke so
Pastor Kisofela, it's a lot that you said, and I'm taking everything. Sure. It's just ntate hamamela hle. Jwale o robetse. Sure.
bala yo uthi Lioness.
Lioness are true. Married wives like to compare themselves with stratmate.
Yo. Lioness. Epete
Are true. Married wives like to compare themselves with the stratmate.
Sure.
And wa tseba hona le ntho engwe ke boneng ka batho ba bomme ba nyetseng ba rata ha ba qeta o compare o iketsa di-stratmate ba re bona ba bakisa banna ba bona kanti ba frustrate monna le ho feta monna. That is why o tla fumana rola o provokile bolayone ba hae kanti ana o nkile like his own car wena o iphetola a company car wa hlanya jwale he.
nna guys ke le jwetsa ka re monne mong le mong o tshwana le tau ha o atumela pela tsona di a bolela hore o ska ba etsa lerata o ska ba jumpa o ska ba etsa so le rona re jwang ke utlwile ke tlotla marriage counseling. Thank you so much Nonki. Guys ke ma ya requestang ya requestang fela ya batla go bua mantswe a go qetela mantswe a go qetela fela mantswe a go qetela mantswe a go qetela guys mantswe a go qetela ya requestang fela ke mang kapa re ba kwala re tsamaya male sa re kwala
ke nana ba speechless ba ntse ba
ke utlwile ke tlotla marriage counseling
ke reile please add me e se mo batla mo invite company
o fitlheletse company
ke mo edere men can afford to be a boy for
a moment but a wife can't be a girl in marriage. Wow. Wow.
Miss Rose ke Rose
wow. Do you charge for marriage counseling?
Yes, I charge.
Yes.
Ke a charge Miss Kat. Ke a charge ne ke yetsa le ka phone. If le hole ke khona le cancela ka phone fela nka khona le re etsa arrangement fela re bua ka phone. Guys ke ka Pretoria dinomoro tsa batho ba Pretoria ke kopa le kene WhatsApp group nyaka. WhatsApp group ya ka ya Pretoria ke 076 081 4430 ke tla Pretoria guys ke batla only 10 people 076 ebere 081 ebere 4430 guys hona le ya ke kopa le join group yena ke WhatsApp group ya ka guys ya batho ba batlang gore ke tlo bona Pretoria ke batla tla Pretoria and then ke rona le WhatsApp group ke yona ene 076 081 4430 batho ba batlang gore ke tlo kopana le bona Pretoria. This one ke for free ke tlo kopana le lona for free ke for free ke tlo kopana le lona because I want to start something that side ke batla start something. It's not like le tlo patala le tlo no ke tlo kopana le lona re etse di arrangement tsa ntho tse itseng re duleng fast so Northern Cape. Okay. And then so don't pretend guys ek batla go ithuta ek batla le ithuta guys ithuta appreciate.
Okay. Amen.
Bommel bonta di ithuta appreciate that there's a lady mo ka Monday. Is it Monday, Tuesday? No, ka Saturday, so Paul. That lady on room is 2,000 rand. 2,000 rand. 2,000 rand. Our Dr. November, I was so stubborn. Kilona le monna kaka everything. Our ka mamel, aranki kene
Friday.
Ki Friday.
Ki Friday that
Kila go bleng ne. Car are go truth or truth are the way ki chinchileng monna ka ila balon rekela koloi. Are my men bought a car for me because of your teachings. And nela ka 2,000
rand.
I appreciate that, guys. It is not right to really do the mona lifing. But ka information e kanaka. Right now, phase 6 Moloilao. We had to drive to Bayswater. Now after the show, no. Ke tlo tsala like ba drive ke se batwana back to Mobadulante. Ke tshwantse ke lo ba deliver. It's almost past 11. Reduce mona running the show really finding tutor really fun knowledge. Mara batho ba ba tsule hana appreciate batho guys. Le hana ho ananelo appreciate se motho setsa. It's a problem. It's a serious problem. Ka Thursday next weekend I was negi feel or no akile koloti next ka feel or akile koloti next ke tlo itule. But that lady Friday and Romela 2000 a lebo ndate modimo. So guys, I get my video account to saka ba batla lebo. Kan it ba batla lebo. Ke mang ntho account ya ka na leo?
Ndate mo hoti.
Ba na le account ya ka ke kopa le faneng ka yona. Ke a tswa be le tlotsa because I tlo jwale ke bua ka appreciation. Ke bua ka appreciation. E mong le mo ya fila gore maru moruti November ka nnete wa re thusa di advice how di re etsa re be batho ba betere ka nnete. Novia na I appreciate you. I like your preachings and your content. I keep we go appreciate ka molomo abutu aka mo eketse I keep it appreciate. Ke bua ka hore when somebody a etsa effort, le wena don't appreciate without effort. O bua fela ka o text kapa o bua fela no, I appreciate you, thank you so much. No guys, nna for dintho tse ke di etsa mo, I'm doing efforts. I had to drive ke ye kerekeng ke tshele petrol ke lo dula kerekeng ha qetile ke drive seleke, and tomorrow morning ka 11 o'clock o tshwantse re ye kereke radio we are o tshwantse re theoele usane. We've got so much things. It means we are all out. Le ka se tlo dula mona le to re lebwa ka melomo guys, le re sendela di WhatsApp le ntse le re thank you so much. No, I se betse jwang. So ke go ba batho ba batlang ho leboha ento account ya ka ke 15 ke maka ke bona ntle 152 00 75 195 ke Capitec ba batla ho sebetsa Capitec 052 00 e be ba 75 195 ne
You can tell cell phone banking.
Cell phone banking ki 073 202 9079. Ki di bit up 073 202 9079. We get account number.
Account number 1520075
Yeah, just like a person visiting a doctor. I carry you pay. It's appreciating indirect my people. Thank you so much, Dampa. Thank you so much. And about why what account?
Capitec Bank.
Edit.
Capitec account number 15200
It's coming a bit fast.
75 195. Kupa ipeta hape. Capitec account number 15200 75 195.
Okay.
And then
cell phone banking now.
Cell phone banking ki 073 202 9079.
Ke kopa batho ba screenshot what is written on the screen. I pre-screenshot it so that you can be able to keep it, ne? Thank you.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much. Until we meet again. Kausane ka 9 o'clock. Kinali show.
7 o'clock.
Oh, usane ka 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock mantsibu.
Yeah, usane ka 7 o'clock. Kinali show again. Nita kopana ka 7 o'clock. Mantsibua. Mo ke tla be ke share ka poverty or why re sokola why re na le dikoloto 2 weeks ye le fitile ne ntse ke share ka ke motivate batho ka di problem tse re kopana le tsona. So guys, ka usane ka 7 o'clock we are together again. And then skela le ba Pretoria batho ba batla go kopana le nna Pretoria ke 076 081 4430. Please guys, keep rumela WhatsApp to that number 076 081 4430. Thank you so much.
Obafile the numbers are the counseling.
PIN account number yaka, personal number yaka, if batla account batla counseling account yaka ki 073 202 9079 in al WhatsApp 073 202 9079. Skela le bala le ka le ka Vrydag ka la bohlalo guys man mo ke be roti dintho tse ntlo di ba di hlotsa rona di penti. Yeah, le ka Vrydag men se PIN account number and cell linked to this.
But kitse na dia appear on the screen. Oh, kapa di bona on your side.
Never know.
Ntse le di bona. Ke kopa ba di screenshot. Okay. 15
Le favor we la repeat go bana lo di hide kana go tsedi. Adi
195.
Yo.
Favor ile njetsa re TikTok o bana le hide.
Oh, no sentse bo di se di hlahile no.
TikTok o bana le dipata bana. Ba uta batho bana ba re ke bana batho di hlaya. Polina ba di hlaya.
Aibo.
E mong kana mogadi a ra di bona ha.
15200.
A di tlo hlaka isa ke le di rometse. Nka be di bitsa.
Okay.
Add them on your bio. Thusang ye ka di bio.
Re tlo tlameha editeng
Re
ha
santse re tswe live.
Ha
We
re
will
di
do
bitse sa
that.
dilas, ha re di bitse sa dilas, sa mona nke di notes ne. Now ke account number ya Capitec ne. Ke 15 200 75 195. This is the Capitec account number. Ke a di pheta hape 15 200 75 195. And then now this is the ke cell phone banking ya Capitec ene ke tlo e bitsang 073 202 9079. For the last time, cell phone banking details 073 202 9079. Then ditla e dua Helen Tong le bio le dinke he bathong ga le kopa he
Ke tsena di hlaya. Se
sena ke wa bona di a hlaya hona
ska robala pasta. Sibosho now silantihle. Guys, thank you so much. That them give me bless and then really rata le. I hope le go seletsana le lona o change. I hope le go change ka ke le makatsa. But believe me, lenyalo le monate and le teng le possible and then le monate guys. I don't want to lie. That is why runa bo November. Ha re so give up for lenyalo because re tsaba lenyalo le teng and lenyalo ke ntho monate to have a partner ho monate ha holo bana beso le hore mantsibua ebe ha o fika dikubong ho na le ntho e emetseng di shabo
Ke maemo. That thing fela yone ke maemo.
ko jale bohloko ba lona jale le a start no ke ba grrr no ke mo grrr
And load shedding e kgutlile. Load shedding e kgutlile.
di tlo fleta ene ke rapela re di ishwe ene ke tsebile di bitsa bo mang di tse tsa lona le di bitsa
Bo
bo
Mr.
mang
Bay.
Mr. Bay, how we pull our we pull a little because I agree with the rata lord for the show. You baby little. So, I'm there, Guamauto, Unsara Manso.
ha ba sa ngata ba ke re tla be phethile mosebetsi di generator
Let the English in Hanamo. No, English.
Aba tlo araba.
I'm there, baby, come on, go deeper, baby.
Ada.
Baby, harder, go deeper. Lola, le tima tse monate hle. Oh, bye guys. Until you are doing something.
yes that is
So you're starting something again.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.